Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good
am
evening,
I
sir.
audible? Yeah, good
Yes,
evening.
sir.
Yes, audible.
Yeah, okay, fine. So, yeah, you can raise your hand and we will go one by one with your doubts. Okay. And this is a week 7 of activity session. So, yeah, you can ask what your doubt is.
Sir, please explain short summary of week 7, at least in 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay, have you not watched the video?
Oh, no, sir, no.
Okay, so you can watch. I think ma'am has very
Yes, sir, I will.
explained way. Yeah. Anyone has any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in practice assignment, sir.
Practice assignment of week 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Let me open week 7. From which there are 2 practice assignments.
Practice assignment 7.1.
I think questions are different, but we can try. Yeah, what is your question? What is?
In a family gathering, 12 people sit around a round table.
Okay, okay. Let me refresh. One second, 1 second. Yeah, I think this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In a family gathering, 12 people sit around a round table. Among them, couple A wants to sit together. What is the probability that couple A sit according to their wish? Okay. Can you tell me how did you try it?
I found the total number of base by 11 factorial, but for numerator, I don't know how to find n of e.
Can you repeat?
Total sample space I found by 11 factorial, so n minus 1 factorial. I don't know how to find numerator. There is n of e.
Okay. See, there are 12 people in total. Okay. And you can arrange these 12 people around a circular table in 12 minus 1 factorial. That means 11 factorial ways. Okay.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yeah, this is you can say total number of case. Okay.
N minus 1. Yes.
This is total ways, right?
Yes.
For a favorable case, what is the question? Yeah, among them, couple A wants to sit together. So see, suppose among 12 people, couple A wants to sit together. That means 2 people wants to sit together.
Yes.
Right. So these 2 people you can consider as one because they are sitting, together always.
Yes.
So in total you had suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So now you will have 11 people.
10.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. 10, 10, 10, 10. Because these 10 and these 11.
Yes.
Yeah, you have 11, right?
Yes.
So see, now these 11 people can be arranged in a circular table in a 10 factorial ways.
Yes.
Right? Fine.
Yes.
Then these 2 people can also be rearranged, or you can say an interchange.
Yes.
Which can be do in 2 factorial ways.
Yes.
That means divide by 11 factorial.
Total number of it. Yes.
Got it?
Yes, Yes, sir.
Sir, activity 7.2. I have doubt in one question.
One
Activity
second.
7.2, sir.
Is this clear, right?
Yes, sir. Now you got it.
Okay, fine. Activity is 7.2, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 7.2.
Mhm.
I'm telling the question. Question number 4, sir.
Question number 4. Okay, a fair
Sir,
dice is through. Yeah.
I want to know the meaning of the last line. Then the set representing the events A and B, but not C.
Yeah, that means A and B means you have to A and B, but not C.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, means you have to choose the common element of A and B,
Which are not in
and
C.
which are not in C.
Is it right?
Should
sir?
I do the whole calculation, or you can?
Okay. We have to look into the set C, right?
Yes,
Not the sample space.
See, what will be A? A represents all the outcomes of getting a natural number less than 4. That means your A will be less than 4 means 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
And what will be your B? What is B? Is the represents all the outcomes of getting an even number, and C represents all the outcomes of getting a greater than 3. Okay. B will be your 2, 4,
2, 4,
6,
6
and C will be greater than 6 means 4, 5,
and 6.
right?
Yeah.
So you have to choose A and B, but not C. That means A and B, but not C. That
Yes,
means,
sir. That means 2. A and B means 2.
yes. Okay, but not C. That means
That means this
you
element
have not
should not be
considered.
inside C.
Yes.
Okay. Now
And
that-
see, and
Excuse me, sir.
Here it will be C complement means this,
Yes, sir.
right?
Excuse me.
Now
Yes.
we have to
Sir,
look into
sir,
the intersection of this. This whole and C complements intersection. Now we have to look into this.
Yes.
Okay. Now got it, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I have a problem in graded assignment 6, question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yes,
One
sir.
second. Let me open.
Yeah, just a minute. Are we going to summarize week 7 contents here in this session?
Actually, see, this is the week 7 activity session. So any doubt from week 7 activity practice, you can ask. Okay.
So you will not be summarizing the contents.
Summarizing content means, see, actually I can summarize, but you can watch lectures video also.
Yeah. But in other courses, they usually summarize. So I was just curious whether you are also doing that.
Okay, let's first finish the doubts of everyone, then we can discuss it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Question number 3, graded assignment 6, sir.
Yeah. This one, right? Amanda
Yes.
is asked to throw.
Yes, sir. I approached this question in 2 ways, sir. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In first way, I thought I am selecting total possible ways of choosing person from 12%,
7% from 12%. Okay.
and minusing if I exclude both A and B, then I'm
Okay.
getting the right answer.
Okay.
But
So-
if I'm selecting, suppose say I am selecting A,
Mm-hmm.
then I am left with 13%. 13 friends are there.
There are 12
Total
friends.
14 friends, and I have to select 18 friends, eight friends.
Okay. There are total 14 friends, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have to select 8 friends, right?
8 friends. Okay. And
in
condition
which
is
A and B will not attend the party together,
together.
right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
So
I am doing.
first approach can be like, yeah. Your first approach was 14C8
Yes,
minus
sir.
12C6,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
And second can be like, you can think, see, A and B will not attend together. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can consider case. Suppose case 1 can be like, suppose A will not attend the party.
Okay, sir.
So that means
B will
12C6
attend.
which? No. if you see, A and B will not attend the party together. Means
Okay,
so
sir.
A is not attending the party, means B is also not attending the party, right?
Yes, understood.
Sir,
And case 2 can be
Then
just
how,
think.
sir?
sir, if he says A and B, they don't attend the party together,
Yes.
Yes.
right? Then either A can attend. If A is not attending, then B can attend,
Yes,
or
sir.
both of them cannot attend. Do we have to do like this?
No. See, did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So see, you can think like that. Suppose, in how many ways can he select the 7 friends from a group of 12 friends if the 2 of his friends A and B will not attend the party together?
Yes.
Sir, this means
Sir,
one can attend the party.
Sir, actually, I got this question wrong
That's our
because
doubt too.
Sorry,
Because-
sorry.
I have the same doubt. Sir.
I was getting 2 answers, sir, and
No,
I didn't mark the right one.
No. Actually, this one is the right one. Okay.
Yes, sir. First, but what about the second
You-
case, sir?
Okay. So tell me, how did you approach?
Sir, I was thinking, suppose if I select A, then I am left with 13 friends. And
You are
now,
selecting A.
yes,
okay.
sir, I am left with 13 friends. And
Okay.
now
Then see. Then it will be
13C7.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And
Okay.
plus, I am
Plus?
selecting B. I am
Okay.
selecting B.
Okay.
And now also 13C7. So 2 into 13C7.
So what about
when you are matlab,
see here
when
you are
selecting
selecting
A, then
only.
B is not available, na? Then it is 12C7, na?
See, suppose you are selecting only A, right? That means B is
Yes,
not
sir.
there.
Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Okay.
I was missing this
B is
point.
not there. That means this one is wrong because A.
Yes,
If
sir.
B is not there, that means A is also not there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Sir, I
Right?
have solved just 12C
Thank you, sir.
or 7.
Yeah, you
Sir,
can see.
sir,
See,
why, sir, one doubt here. If B is not there, then why A is also not there?
because see, they will not attend the party together.
But they can. My doubt is they can
But
attend
individually they
individually,
can.
right?
One of them
Individually
can
they
attend the party,
attend.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it not right? One of them can attend.
Sir, I
But
think
now
the question
my
can be
doubt is
interpreted
now clear,
as
sir.
either of them is going. Like,
See, see, you can think like that again. See, suppose, see, let me, yeah. Suppose A is not there, for example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what will be that means how many was there? It was 46. Yeah, that means 12C6 way.
Sir, if A is not there, then B must be there. This is the case.
We can still have B attending, right? Because it just says that they both won't go together. But
Yeah,
it means that
A
one of
or
them
B
can go.
Yeah.
No,
Either
no.
A or B.
No. See, 2 of his friends will not attend the party together.
And we have just 10 choices. In which
Yeah,
we have
according
to
to
select
this,
for
according
7.
to this, you will have 10 choices. But see, I was going with this one.
Sir, but my question was different. 14 friends, and we are selecting 8.
Yeah,
friends.
everyone has different.
Yeah.
One second.
Sir,
Mhm.
you are taking 14 friends. He says from 12 friends, right?
Okay.
That A and B are, I think the A and B should be included in those 12.
Can you repeat?
Sir, the question is, he has to select 7 friends from 12 friends, right?
Yes.
And A and B are not attending together.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Then A and B are included in those 12 friends, right? They are not separate.
No. Actually, see, if A and B are not attending the party together, that means you have to select rest of, I mean, suppose you have, you have 10 friends and you have to select 7 friends. Okay.
So the doubt is, in the question it's worded as A and B will not attend the party together. So
Yeah.
the cases that we consider is both A and B won't attend, or A will attend and B
Or
won't
B will
attend.
attend. Yes.
Or B will attend and A won't attend. If both of them will not attend, then I think the wording should have been both won't attend, right?
No, that is not the case. If both will not attend, I think, sir.
See.
Because
Sir, here there is a lot of ambiguity.
No. Actually, see. Listen to this. Suppose, try to think what I'm saying. See, suppose, suppose A will not attend the party. For example, so I think case one is, you can consider as A will not attend the party. Then in how many ways you can select?
Then total number of friends minus 1 and see how many other friends you're supposed to select.
Sir, please share your slide.
13C,
We are not
13C6. 13C6. Then it will be 13C6.
One second. I think my screen is not present here, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Sir, it should be 13C8.
one second.
yes, sir. 13C8, because we are selecting.
Yes, 13C8, yeah.
One second. See, suppose you are saying, see, suppose, suppose A is not there. Okay. That means in how many ways you can select 12C6?
12C.
See, actually, A and B will not attend the party together.
They won't attend together, but one
Yes.
of them can attend, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the wording is it's confusing. Because if both of them won't attend, then it'll be like both of them won't attend. If they won't attend together, it means that individually they can attend, right?
Okay, I got it. What is your confusion? But actually, what is the meaning here? This one, okay. Meaning is this, I mean, A and B will not attend the together.
As in, if A doesn't attend, B also won't attend, and vice versa.
Yeah, I think.
No, I think it's if A attends, B will not attend, and otherwise. That's how I interpret it.
One more question here.
We have to include both the cases.
One by one.
Yes, sir.
One by one. Yeah.
Sir, we have to include both the cases. First case is that if A will attend, B will not attend, and second is if B will attend, A will not attend.
Your question is different than mine. I had to select 6 friends out of 14 ingredient. It was like this.
Actually, everyone has different, digits.
Numbers are
actually.
different.
Numbers are different for everyone.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So suppose for my it's 7 and 12. So someone has 8 and 14 like that. Okay. Friends.
Okay, sir. Let's stick to the point that if A is not attending, then B can attend. Na?
There is no specific restriction on that,
But
right?
It's not
In the
mentioned here
question.
that
The easier way to do this is to just see totally how many ways we have to select, like 7 out of 12, right? The 12C7, and then just think of the combinations in which you will have A and B together. So if you exclude those 2 slots in the party A and B, then we will have 2 remaining, right? And we have 10C2 ways of selecting those 2 people. So those 10C2 combinations you have to subtract from 12C7. That's how I do it.
Direct,
Yeah.
the one way.
Yeah, direct. One way is direct. 12C7.
Yes.
Okay. Minus, suppose A and B will attend party together. That means 10C5. Okay. You have to minus this one. Okay.
So,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
this
sir.
means that A can attend individually and B can attend individually, right? Because I want to get the understanding right so that, in future situations, I can get the word problems correct, like the understanding.
See. First, tell me, have you got this point or not? This one, right? Okay. You people
Yes, I
got this,
got
right?
this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
no, sir. I am still confused.
You are confused here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see.
Sir, why
Sir,
you are minus?
See.
can you show the
2?
question first, sir, and then explain?
See. In you have to select 7
So
friends
what is the
from.
logic behind 10C5?
logic behind 10C5 is that, see, what is the question? If the two of his friends will not attend the party together, okay? See, suppose, you know, A and B will attend the party together, okay?
Yes, sir.
But-
Yes, sir. Suppose they attend the party together.
Okay, that means you have to select only 5 friends out of 10 because A and B,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay,
Friends remaining are 10, and we have to select 5 to make 7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right?
No, sir. We have to exclude the combinations in which A
Yes,
and B
sir.
will attend the party
Yeah,
together.
yeah, that,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
which,
Correct.
see, this is the case for when A and B will attend the party together.
No, sir, not attend, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Not
Bill will
attend.
not attend the
Listen to
party.
me, see. No, in
Okay.
this case, A and B will attend.
We are assuming, friends, we are assuming that A and B
Suppose,
attend the
see,
party
see,
together. We
see,
are
listen
assuming.
to me, listen to me. There are, you have to select 7 friends, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Out of 12 friends,
Yes.
right? Suppose, for assume A and B are attending the party. That means 2 friends are here. That means remaining 5 friends you have to select out of 10.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This was
Yes, sir.
and the case when A and B will not attend the party, that means total minus when he will attend the party. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? This one?
Total cases minus cases
Yes, sir.
when these
When
two attend the party
when
together.
they will attend the party. And you are saying like you know A and
That is
attend B and
that is why we are
B
missing
will
some
not-
cases,
okay.
right?
Yes, and I will check it for this one.
But what if
for-
A attends and B doesn't attend? That
That's
is
why
not
I'm
given
saying-
in. Okay.
No. See. That's why I'm saying for this point I will check, but till now you can understand by this point.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Sir, I have
Yes,
one more
sir.
doubt, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Total, yes, sir. The total friends combinations are 12C7, right?
Yes.
And we
Yes.
have stated when A and B are together.
Yes.
We can achieve this number. Can we achieve this number another way around? Like we have total friends, total these, and minus the cases when A attends and minus the cases when B attends.
Actually, see.
No.
As I can understand in the question, it clearly mentioned that both will not attend party, but if you are saying, see, I will check it for this one. Okay.
A similar question was given for the last time solved with instructors, sir, 2 days back. But there it was, the question was very clear. It is, they are included, not include either. So that's why the
Okay, we can you can think about it. What say? What will be the value of this one? 12 factorial, 7 factorial, 5 factorial minus 10 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay. Right?
Right, sir.
See. I
Right,
think
right.
we no need to know. See, I will check it. Okay. I will check for the alternate approach. No worry about
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I want to say the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
How can we approach this?
Yeah.
alternate?
I
Can
think
we-
this point you got it, everyone, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. For alternate, I will check it and we'll
Sir,
let it.
I have one more doubt.
Sir,
about
I
that.
have to.
Mhm.
10C 5.
10C5.
Yes, I can use this.
I did not get your point. What are you trying to say?
Sir, 12 minus 2, that means 10 people.
Yeah.
And we have to select 5.
Yes.
Yes.
No, I did not get what are you trying to say actually.
Sorry, sir.
Are you asking with me or
No, I have a doubt. Sorry.
what is that?
Sir, this question. Actually, I have a lot of ambiguity regarding this
This
question.
third question.
Yes.
Okay. What is this numbers are same for you?
Yeah, suppose any number it doesn't matter.
So that's yeah. Suppose you have to select 7 friends out of 12 friends, right?
Yes, sir.
So 12C7 is total number of case ways.
Yes. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
But suppose A and B will attend the party together. That
Yes.
means two friends are already attending the party.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That means you have to select 5 friends out of 10 friends.
Yes.
If
Yes.
A and B attending the party together.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So we have to find the case when A and B will not attend the party together. So when A and B will not attend the party together, that means total case minus when A and B will attend the party together.
Yes.
So this is the
Sir, I got it.
answer.
Thanks.
Sir, one small question on
Yeah.
question on question 2, graded assignment 6. Just the question about station
Yes, sir.
between Assam
Yes.
and Chennai.
Yeah.
I too have doubt in this question, sir.
Should we include
Okay.
Chennai and Assam as well in the number of stations?
Yeah, if you include the stations will be 8.
No. Okay, they have given us 6 here. Okay, in my paper it was 8. So, for example, in this case, should we consider it as 6 stations or 8 stations?
See.
8
Yeah,
stations.
Yeah, in total you will have 8 stations.
Okay.
And between Chennai and Assam, there are 6 stops.
Okay, the other confusion is irrespective of direction of travel. I
Irrespective
assume
direction means actually
order
he
does
can
not
travel
matter.
any direction.
Okay. So we have to print ticket for both this
Yes.
direction
There
and
is
the other
not,
direction. Okay.
Yeah. See, irrespective direction means
Direction matters. Wow. Question, sir.
Your voice is breaking actually.
Sir, if direction matters, then how will question change?
Actually, if direction matter, then then it will be mentioned like he is going from Chennai to Assam, like that.
So if the starting point is mentioned and then we have direction matters, then the method will change.
Method will be changed. Yeah, irrespective of the direction. That means suppose you have 6 stops between Chennai and Assam, for example. Then he can go any of the in total there will be 8 stations. Okay. So he can go from, suppose he has at the any of the stations. Okay. So a person can go any of the 7 stations.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it? And
so how do we solve
Yes,
this?
sir.
This is 8C2, is it? This is or
No, 8P2.
8P. Okay, because the order does not matter.
Yeah,
Okay.
because see. Actually, 8 stations are there. Okay, including origin and destination point, right? So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so suppose you are here. Okay, so you can go any of the 7 stations.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Suppose you are here, you can go any of the 7 stations.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
8
Suppose
into
you are
7.
here, you are here, then you can go any of the 7 stations. You are here, so you will have 7 will be multiplied.
So the part where I got confused was when it says irrespective of the direction of travel, actually order matters here because that's why we've gone for permutation.
No.
Right?
Yes. There will be total 56.
56.
Sir, I have a doubt. Here we are asking about the number of tickets that are required to be printed. So how I approach the problem was like, if I'm in the station number 2, I don't buy a ticket from the first to second, rather other 6 stations. So 7, 6, 5, and I added.
No. Actually, that's why it was mentioned irrespective of the direction. Means anywhere you can go.
Sir, if order matters, then
suppose if order matters, okay, then no, it will decrease. It will decrease. Suppose you are here, okay,
yes,
and you can go only in suppose here is Chennai and here is Assam, and between whatever 6 stops, okay.
Yes.
You are at Chennai and you can go in one direction, okay. So from here you will have 7 way.
Yes.
And suppose you are here, then I think you will have 6 way.
So 7 factorial.
Right? Because if you are here, if you have left this station, okay.
Yes.
And you have to go in this direction only.
Yes,
Then
yes,
you
I
have only
understand.
6 options. Then
Yes,
similarly you can proceed.
yes, yes. Thanks.
So we can say irrespective of direction means not replacement. As not,
No, no, no.
we
You
can take
see,
it as a not
not relate
replacement.
this one, okay? Not relate this one actually. You can just think about that from
I
each
actually took
station.
in that way.
No, no, no. Actually, if you're in general conception, if you're making like in relate with shortcut type of things, then it can make mistake actually. You
N
just
into
think.
n minus 1.
Actually, you can just think from each station you can go any of the remaining stations. Then from the next station you can go any of the remaining stations.
Sir, I clear very much because
Okay.
of your explanation.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
So there
question
is
number
shortcut
4.
for doing this type of question. N into n minus 1.
Okay.
Sir, question number 4, please. Get it assigned.
Question number this one, Suman hai?
Suman wala, yes.
Okay. Suman has 10 clauses of different types. And suppose C10 and she wants to wear all these at different days. Okay, due to some reason C1 must be used at the D8 or at D9. Okay, and C2 can be used either at D9 or D8 or D10. Every cloth is used to be at only one day. And how many cloth? Okay, 10 cloth. Okay, okay. See, Suman has 10 cloth, right? C1 up to C10 and 10 different days. Sorry. It is mentioned that every cloth, that means one cloth will used for only one day.
Yes.
Right? And C1 can be used at D8 or D9.
D8, D9.
Okay.
Yes.
D8 or at D9. That means for using the cloth one, C has 2 ways.
Yes.
And for C2 can be used either at D9 or at D8 or D10. Okay. That means D9 or D8 or D10. See, again C has 2 ways.
Yes.
Because see, suppose C has used D9 at C1 cloth at D9. That means one way is C can use either D8 or D10.
Yes.
And second way is C can use on the day D9 or D10. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And see, C1 and C2 has been already used. Then yeah, then C3 can be used. Tell me in how many ways C3 can be used?
8 ways.
8 ways.
Right? Because 2 days are used, right?
Yes, yes. 8
okay.
ways.
2 days are used already. So C3 can be used at in 8 ways.
Yes.
C4 can be used at 7
7
ways.
ways.
C5 can be used as 6 ways. C4 C6 okay in 5 ways. C7 can be used at 4 ways. C8 can be used at 3 ways, and C9 can be used at 2 ways, and C10 can be used 1 way. Right? So total way will be 2 into 2, this 2 and this 2 into, you can say 8 factorial. Because multiplication of 8 into 7 into 6 into
Yes,
5
sir.
into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be 8 factorial. Have you got it?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I got confused. Like when D8 and D9, now one day I took the 2 ways, but here C2 I just thought in 3 ways.
No. Actually, one cloth is used can be used at only one day. Okay. C1 can be used either on day 8 or day 9. Right?
So then C1 will be acha. So आपने D8 and D9 both you consider, then it is 2 ways.
2 way. Okay.
In C2 I consider 2 ways. There's a 3 ways. So that
No,
is why I got
it's 2 ways, because see, suppose C2 C1 is used at day 9. Okay, that means you have this one.
Yes.
One way is this, or suppose C1 can be used at D8. Okay, then you have again one way.
ये वाला चीज मिस करना.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Someone has raised. Krishna has raised. Yeah, Krishna.
EMQ, that pizza question, can you please take it up, sir?
EMQ of week, it's in week 5, right?
Week 6. Week 6.
Practice assignment.
EMQ, yeah. Here, why simultaneously comes? Sir, this order is also a little bit for me confusing, sir. Many a times.
Okay. So no worry, it's only for practice. And when you do a lot of practice, you will get clear on concept.
Yeah, the pizza shop has 6 types of pizza.
Each of them comes in 2 different sizes, right?
Yeah, but here in the solution, it is telling it is simultaneously. How simultaneously will happen? Yeah.
See, simultaneously means suppose pizza shop has 6 types of pizza and each of them.
So all
comes
6
in 2
people should.
No. That is not meaning the. One second. A customer is also given the option to adding extra cheese or extra paneer, where customer can add to anyone or none of them. Okay. Select the applicable to order the pizza. See, for ordering the pizza.
9th question I solved.
For ordering the pizza, you will select size.
Yes, medium or large.
Whatever
And
it is, whatever
option also he has given.
Okay. And you can type. You can select type.
Yeah, type, correct.
And you can add or extra cheese or not. Okay.
3 ways.
See,
One
actually,
is.
So these are simultaneously. Simultaneously means suppose you have event 1. Okay. And event 2 and event 3. For ordering the pizza, you will select the size, right? And type and extra things.
Okay, I thought all the 6 people will have to order.
No. Actually, see, events are occurring simultaneously means suppose I'm taking the example of suppose you have. I always take this example because suppose you have set pattern A password, which is for example, suppose it's a alphanumeric. Okay. And you have to select pattern B password, which is numeric only, and both of it's also 4-digit password and it is also 4-digit password, for example. Okay. So to making and let us assume it's without replacement, selection of digits or without replacement. Okay. See, for making the pattern of 4-digit password, okay, you have to select first. In how many ways you can select the, suppose this is alphabetical, for example.
Okay.
For simplicity, I'm taking alphabetical. So for the first digit, you can select 26 alphabets.
Lower and upper if it is applicable. Okay, fine.
So
26.
It will be upper. Okay. If you include lower and upper, then it will be 52. Let it be. Let's focus on this. See, you have 26 ways. Okay. You have to select and the second digit and third digit and fourth digit, right? Right. That means you has already selected first digit. After that, and you have to select second, and you have to select third, and you have to select the fourth one. Okay. This means events are occurring simultaneous. Clear?
Yeah, this is clear. Actually.
Yeah. Similarly, for pattern B, you can think like that. Suppose it's a password. So at the first place, you can select 10.
Here my only confusion was if it is for one person, one password, the password is simultaneous. We have 6 types of pizza and that is
no. You I think you thought like all customer ordering 6 pizza together. No. Events occurring simultaneously in ordering the pizza. How events will occur?
Okay.
You will choose size and you will choose type and you will choose the extra things or
okay. And here another vice president and as a captain and vice captain question. Order matters means okay. Here from the given order matters means for example, a person A is captain, person B can be vice captain, but see, in one example previously, it was told that vice captain, not that type of order, but A can be captain, B can be vice captain, and another way is B can be captain and A can be vice
order
captain.
matter na. Order matter.
Uh-huh.
Because suppose you are captain and I am a vice captain.
Okay. Okay.
Then this is one order. And second order can be, suppose I am a captain and you are a vice captain. So both order
So
are
you are
different.
telling that it is a hierarchy type of order, or I'm not getting that.
No, actually just think how order can matter. If things are different. Suppose
for
I'm
order doesn't matter. One more, can you give one example, sir?
Okay,
Here
okay.
itself it is there. Can you go to one more question?
Okay. Suppose order does not matter. Actually, it depends on type of question.
No,
Okay?
in this EMQ only, can you please go? There is one question, order doesn't matter.
Which one?
Can you go down? I think that circle, last question. People sitting in circle. Yeah.
This order matter.
No, in circular table, order doesn't matter. Means here also order matters. Here also order matters because 6 people together order matters. In one I think. Here ninth order doesn't matter. No? MP question, MP. Go down, sir.
MP.
This one. 2 vacant position different. Yeah, this one.
1 second. A cabinet, 2 vacant positions. There is total of 6
Here,
MP.
order doesn't matter.
A cabinet post can be given to any of these MPs, and MP can take more than one cabinet position. Then based on the given. Okay, see, it is clearly mentioned that a post can be given to any of the 6 MPs.
6 MPs.
And there are 2 vacant positions. Okay, different position. MP can take more than one cabinet position.
Correct. One MP can take two positions.
Okay, suppose there are 6 MPs. Okay, and there are 2 positions. Okay, right? So an MP can take more than one position.
Correct.
Okay.
Single MP can take 2 cabinet.
Suppose
positions.
took this first position and this second position. Okay, and suppose 1 second. For the applicable to fill the vacant position. Yeah, see, and suppose first took this. Suppose I am, for example, took this one as yeah. See, either A will first choose this one or this one, and suppose A choose the second position first and first position later. But in general, A is choosing the both positions.
Yeah, choosing both position option also is possible.
But
yes.
order not matter. Suppose he can
that is
choose
what
second.
I'm saying. Position here, order doesn't matter. That is what I'm trying to tell.
Yes.
In this example, order doesn't matter.
Yes. Okay. Suppose.
But if they clearly tell, like captain, vice captain, if there is a distinction, then order matters.
Order
like
matter,
that we
and
have.
you can you can relate with the questions. Suppose I already give many times example. Suppose you have 5 athletes. Okay, for example, you have 5 athletes. Okay, and it is mentioned that they are
first to come to the next level.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, any of the 2 participants who complete the race will go for the next round. Okay, so either suppose A1 and A2 completes the race first. Okay, so either A1 come first or A2 come second, or A2 come first or A1 come second. Both of them will go for the next
second round. Okay.
Sir, if in the same
here
question,
also order doesn't
you
matter.
Can think like what is the question, type of question. Yeah, here order doesn't matter. Actually,
sir, if in the same question it had been defined like one is education minister and the other is home minister.
Yeah, then order matter.
Then
order matters.
Because suppose MPA is education minister and B is home minister, and A is home minister, then B is education minister. Then both are
order matters.
Both are different things. Okay, then order. Here order can matter if I'm mentioning that first who come first will get the gold medal, and who comes second will get the silver medal. then order
Hmm.
matter, right?
Clear, sir, clear.
So there in the cricket the team, you are told to captain, vice captain. That is why order matters.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. It is clear?
Yeah. And this is the third question, sir. If you don't mind, one more. Can you go up, sir?
Yeah, this one.
Pragya question. This question itself I
Yeah.
couldn't understand, sir.
For what? In calculating or?
No, here you are telling make the distinct sequence using J letters and
K, 5K letter.
5K letters. So you mean to say that JJK 5 times K or sequence means first letter should start with J. That's what you are trying to convey.
No. 2 J letters and 5 K letters. Okay. And you have to make distinct sequence. Means suppose I have make one sequence like that.
Okay.
Okay.
This is one sequence.
One
Another sequence should start with J.
No, it's not necessary. It's starting with J, but it must have be distinct. Okay. This is distinct with this one.
No repetition. That is what you are trying to tell.
No repetition means you have to use just 2J and 5K.
5K. Okay.
And distinct sequence means this sequence and this sequence are different.
Okay, this sequence and
Suppose
what I thought was after
suppose
reading the question. Okay, sequence means first letter should start with J.
No.
And it is one sequence.
Sequence of 2J and sequence of 5K should be, you have to make the different. Suppose this one is different, this one is different, this one is different. Suppose I make like that KK and then JJ, then KKK, then these are different. That is the meaning of the question.
So here order matters on.
Yeah, order matter because
matters.
this one is
Order
different
matters.
from this one. Because see, you are asking about distinct sequence. So this one is distinct and this one is distinct, and you are counting these as 2, not as 1.
Right.
Okay. Now it is clear.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Next one is Tanu.
So practice assignment 7.2, question number 6.
7.2. Hello.
Yes, sir, this one.
Okay. See, according to a survey, 70% of all participants who participated in the marathon, these 2 participants are randomly selected from the participants of the race. Order does not matter. Yeah. What is the probability that neither of the participants? Okay. Neither. See, 70% of the participants complete the race. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means the participants, percentage of participants who will not complete the race.
30.
Okay. That means 30%, right? And 2 participants are randomly selected. Okay. Then neither of the participants. Yeah. Suppose I have selected A and B, 2 participants. Okay. So A will not complete the race. That means 0.3. 30% means 0.3, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
And B will not complete the race. That means 0.3. That is
Yes, sir.
0.09. 09. Sorry.
09.
And you can make it as tree diagram also. Suppose A is here and B is here, and it can be like.
So can it be done in 30C2 divided by 100?
See, how can you do? Because there are in mention number of participants.
Percentages.
Okay, sir. It's
Actually, percentage are there, probabilities are already there. Suppose it was mentioned question like that, there are 40 participants participated in a race, and A and B completed the race like that. Then you have to select C2 like that. See, there are 2 possibilities. For completing the race, there is probability of 0.7, and for not completing the race, probability of 0.3, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you can calculate. Then there is possibility that suppose A is complete the race, then second one can complete the race or not complete the race.
Yes, sir.
And if suppose one participants not complete the race, then it can happen another can complete the race and not complete the race.
Yes, sir.
So you can directly calculate here. Both of complete the race, that means 0.7 into 0.7. One complete the race or not, 0.7 into 0.3. Okay, similarly, it's the same.
Yes, sir.
Any of the can complete the race, and both of them not complete the race, it will be 0.3 into 0.3. This is something tree diagram. You can
Sir,
try
next
it.
question, tutorial question number 4.
Tutorial actually.
Sir, there is a little confusion.
Okay.
सर ये वाला क्वेश्चन थोड़ा रिपीट कर देंगे प्लीज दिस फॉर 70-30 वाला क्वेश्चन कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग
This one.
हाँ
This
यस
one.
सर
Actually, it's something called tree diagram. Actually, see, there are probability of completing the race is 0.7 and not completing the 0.3, right?
yes
And
sir.
there are two participants. Okay, suppose it can happen like one A complete the race, then B can complete or not complete, right?
Yes.
Suppose one participant not complete the race, then it can happen second one can complete the race. Also, it can second cannot complete the race.
अच्छा तो all the 4 options we need to calculate.
Yeah. These are the 4 questions actually. 3 questions actually. You can see these two are same.
Okay.
Actually, suppose I'm asking both complete the race. That means this probability. Both not complete the race. This probability. Any one of the complete the race. This probability. Okay.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. I
So,
think.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, practice 7.1.
I think you have asked tutorial.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, leave
No
it.
worry. Okay. 7.1. Which question?
So, can you go down? So,
I think let me refresh.
yes, sir.
Actually, when you will refresh, you will get the different set of questions.
So, question number 3.
This one, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, how to approach fourth option?
Okay.
Sir, in these types of question, what should we do? Should we go through the formula or?
Yeah, you can go with the formula
or
actually. Actually, you can
use
go with
Venn
the.
diagrams.
Yeah, you can both. Actually, you can use both one.
So
For
which one
fourth
is
option,
better?
right?
I think diagram is easy.
Yeah, diagram is easy. Yeah, and you can use formula. Yeah, I'm going with the formula. Actually, what was the A complement union B union C. Okay, A complement union B union C, right?
Yes.
So this can be, you can write it as, yeah. Suppose let it as 1 and this one as 2. Okay, that means probability of 1 union 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you can write it as probability of 1 plus probability of 2 minus probability of 1 intersection 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, you can write it as probability of A complement. 1 is your this one and 2 is this one, plus probability of B union C minus probability of A complement intersection B, this one. No. B union C.
Yes, sir.
Till this point, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Let me go with the one bracket. Okay. Now see. One second. See, this probability of A complement, you can write it as 1 minus probability of A complement, 1 minus probability of A.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Plus probability of B union C minus probability of A complement intersection of B union C.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
See.
Yes, sir.
And this is the, you can say the quantity which see, let it be as equation 1. Okay. So from here I have to approach with this quantity. Okay, because this is the something, right? So see, can you write it as probability of B union C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C.
It's a little confusing.
One second. A complement intersection B union C. Okay, so if I write it as probability of B union C minus probability of.
Can't we solve with Venn diagram? It's not possible.
Yeah, it's can possible. It's can possible. No worry about that. See. Okay. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So A intersection B, C. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So A complement is something, which is beyond the A. That means A complement is, you can interpret as this whole things.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it should be included, right? Yeah. Okay. Intersection B union C. So where B union C is there? B union C means let me choose another. Yeah. This color.
Will A be that point? A intersection B will be included in A complement.
Sorry?
A intersection B, will it be included in A complement?
A intersection B?
That A intersection B, that concave structure, will it be included in A complement? I'm asking.
Yeah, it will be included in A complement actually.
Because it is A complement, right? We have to remove everything out of A, out of this pair A.
Yeah. Once again, let me erase these things. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So B union C is something. This one, this whole things, this red color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, A intersection, A complement intersection B union C. So what is the common A complement and B union C?
Only red part.
1 second, I think because see, A is there.
Sir, these two concave parts should also be colored red.
Actually, see, this A complement will be, because here if you see, it will be included in A complement.
No, sir.
Yeah, actually, because if you see this one, the quantity in which C and B all are there. A, see, from this three Venn diagram, A is something.
Sir, according to me, that part will be included in only B union C, not
A complement.
See,
Yes,
it's
yes.
A
Yes,
is
sir.
A
That
is
part
only
should be
A is
included in B union C.
A is this one. Okay.
A minus, I think.
No. If you see only A,
Then whole circle will.
Yeah, this
Yes,
is
sir. Whole
A
circle is included.
minus the intersection part.
Yeah, sir. It will be mean that the A will be excluded from A intersection B and also from A
Sir, by A
intersection
we
C.
means set A. Then we will take the whole circle of A.
suppose
Not that only part one.
suppose A is this. Okay. And A complement is some. A complement will be everything beyond this. Okay.
Yes.
We are saying like that. Okay.
Yes.
This is the correct. But if you see, I think I'm doing some mistake. One second.
I think you are right, because first we will have to define what is A here.
Actually, A is this one, only green part, because if you see this yellow part, okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A is only green part, because if you go with this yellow part, one second, I'm taking as black one. This one, if you are considering in A, but it's not only A. It's a A intersection B. It's a A intersection C. Right?
Sir,
Not A. A is only this green part, right?
Sir, but it also contains the elements present in A. So, sir, it should be included.
No. Actually, see, A. This is the something. Your A is this one, and A complement is S minus A, right?
Yes, sir.
But here, this quantity is something. A only A is this one, and this is A intersection B and something A intersection C. This.
But
In A minus something.
Sir, but A also contains what is common between A and C and A and B.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So only the red part will be considered in that.
So that will not be the part of A, the A intersection B.
No,
that
will
will not constitute the part of A.
Suppose we take two circle.
One second.
Please.
One second. See, this is the A. What is A in this part? Tell me.
Sir, whole A circle.
No.
Then what would be
whole
A
A.
intersection B?
Sir, midpoint of both the circles.
But if you are saying, see, listen to me. You are
Sir,
saying
this intersection point.
One second. You are saying whole A. Okay. You are saying this whole A as A, right?
Yes, sir.
But in this elements of C included, elements of B included, I can say.
Yes,
These
sir.
are the common, I think.
Common points, yes. It's
Sir,
like
but these are the
like,
common
like
points which are in-
like the students having physics, chemistry, math subject. A is the part where only physics students are there. That will be A.
Yes. A is something, this one, only this one. This only red area. This is only A, only A.
Sir, the overlapping.
Yes, sir.
part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This will be only A. This will be only B. And this will be only C.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, from here, let me erase this one. See, no. See, A complement, you got this whole yellow region, right? Intersection
Yes.
B union C. B union C means this red part, right? What is the common of yellow region and B union C?
Nothing.
There are three sides.
There's the common, there is common.
Two
Yes,
sides. Yes, one side.
Okay.
The red
So
one.
probability of B union C, you have to minus
Okay.
A intersection B,
Yes.
and you have to minus A intersection C,
Yes. Or both common.
and you
Plus.
and whole things, right?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, you can draw
Sir,
it
how
also.
did you write that directly?
See, see, you got, what is the meaning of this? A complement intersection B union C. Okay. What is the meaning? A complement is your yellow part, right?
Sir, through Venn diagram it is okay, but before drawing Venn diagram, you wrote down whole formula. How?
Okay. Actually, I wrote the Venn diagram also.
Venn diagram is only
Okay.
easy for this type of problem.
Actually, suppose you have, three A complement, B complement, intersection, union of those things. So you can draw the Venn diagram and think. Sometimes you get confusion like that. A few minutes before I get, but if you do it and you can get it. See, then what is the common of things? Okay, you have to understood the common area. Okay. So common area of yellow part and red part is this. This red one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay, so you can write from the write from the Venn diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we can move ahead. So we had 1 second. Yeah. See, at this point you can write this quantity. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
What was the equation? Anyone? It was 1 minus PA plus probability of B union C minus this one. Yeah. Yeah. Inequality was 1 minus probability of A. It was
P
plus
of
probability of B union C, and then it was 1 second. It was minus minus B union C minus probability of So I think I should do the whole things, right? It may confusion you too also. Yeah, let me go with the whole calculation. Yeah, from the next page. Yeah, earlier you had probability of A complement union B union C, right?
Yes.
And you wrote this A complement plus probability of B union C minus probability of A complement intersection B union C. Okay, and this quantity we make this we had make. Okay, so probability of A complement, you can write it 1 minus probability of A plus probability of B union C, right? Minus this quantity was probability of B union C, and minus I think it was probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, plus A union A intersection B intersection C, right? So plus probability of A intersection B intersection C, right? So see, you can minus will go, if you go this in bracket, it will be minus probability of B union C, minus sign will be plus. Okay, it will be plus probability of A intersection C minus probability of A intersection B intersection C, right? So these two quantity will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
Right? What you have 1 minus probability of A plus probability of A intersection B plus probability of A intersection C minus probability of A intersection B intersection C, right? And I think this was this was in the option. Actually, you can you can do this Venn diagram also directly.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Try to think what A complement. Okay. See, I can give you a hint like that. Suppose. Yes. Your A is there B is there, and C is there, right? A is there, B is there, C is there. So what will be the A complement? This whole yellow part, right?
Yes, sir.
And question was A complement union B union C. What will the B union C? This red part,
Yes, sir.
okay? So question was, A complement union B union C. That means A complement union B union C. This whole things. That means this whole green part. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This whole green part will be A complement union B union C. Please correct me if I'm making some mistake, but yeah.
But in the last question, you included the included that area, na, in A complement.
That was an intersection.
Yeah, see, it was.
For your correction, that was.
No. When you calculate the A complement, what you did, like you excluded this area, like which
oh
is
no. Actually, yeah. This will be
Yes,
in
yes.
this will be in A complement. Yeah. This will be in A complement. Yeah, right. Thank you. So it can write it as, what was the option? Just relate with the option. 1 minus probability of A. Okay. Plus probability of see. Yeah. Okay. Plus probability of A intersection B. Yes. And plus probability of B intersection C. Probability of A intersection minus probability of A intersection B intersection C. Yeah, you can see 1 minus PM is this whole things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Think this is correct one, right? A complement is this whole things, and union B union C.
Let's leave it, Prashant. It's eating too
Yeah,
much time.
I think. Yeah, I think. Yeah, we can leave it, but it can. We see you can do it from Venn diagram.
Yes.
Venn diagram. Yeah.
A complement
Actually,
means
yeah,
whole circle.
No. A complements this whole things, except A.
Yes.
Okay. I think yeah, you can try it. I think here I'm making some mistake.
Sir, just sir, one thing, sir. Maybe we should be subtracting the intersection of A and B, because that would be A complement. Because when we are doing the union, we are including those, the intersection of A and B and intersection of A and C, sir. So somehow I feel that has to be excluded. So what you have done, you have subtracted the intersection of 3 sets. A and B
that
and C.
means this area.
This area, sir. Yeah. So this common area is done. Sir, about those ones, those yellow areas, sir. The intersection of A and B, excluding the intersection of 3 sets, sir, maybe.
Can you repeat?
So what I'm trying to say, your approach, I believe, is absolutely correct. As we'll consider, let's consider one by one, sir. So A complement is like, so we need to somehow eliminate this yellow shaded area, sir, which is marking the intersection of A and B, excluding the common point. And this common point is also being excluded, sir, included twice. Somehow, sir, there is a rule of sets. I had studied in set theory, so that application is going to be there, sir. Some extra subtraction has to happen over here.
Okay.
Sir, I find it absolutely correct. Sir, see, when we are using A complement, then that's 1 minus universal set minus A set, right? So that we have written in first we have written 1 minus P of A.
Your voice is breaking.
Then we are and then we are including union C. That
Your voice
means
is
we have to
breaking.
include the set.
Divyans, your voice is breaking actually.
So then we are including
Not clear. You can rejoin. Yeah, your voice is breaking. Yeah, I think see, you can try it directive Venn diagram. I think I'm doing some mistake. Sorry for that. But I think this point is clear to you, right?
So your approach is absolutely correct, sir.
Yeah,
there
this
is
one
just
is
a
correct.
small thing that we need to figure out. Otherwise, sir, we can get back to this question. Your approach is absolutely correct, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We have to think about actually which event we have to subtract and we have to add things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
yeah.
So we
actually
can go through
move
this
ahead.
in the next
Yeah.
session.
Yeah, actually, see, this is the something you had to for direct answer, so you have to think a lot. And this is the earlier which I did this point. You can go till this point, okay? And for this, you can easily interpret the from Venn diagram, which is much clear, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can go step by step. Yes, sir.
Yes. And I think if you go step by step, then you will get the correct answer. And for this one, I think we can left for now. And actually, there are you may have rest of the doubts, so we can discuss it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I think this till this point, you guys are clear, right? This way,
Yes,
Venn
sir.
diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. So let me. I think there is no raise hand. Yeah. So you can.
I have something like question number 10 in the graded assignment. Could you please see that one? How to
week 6, right?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Week 6. Last question, right? Yeah. This is all the 3 options are correct.
Sir, actually, how to approach, like, do you need to put the value and calculate all
No. Actually, you see, for n greater than 2 means, see, suppose if I'm taking as 1 here. Okay.
Greater than 2 means 3. I will take, no? So
I kept 3. N
For
equals
example,
to 3.
see.
I took n equals to 3 and I solved the equations.
Yeah, you can solve equation, but in general, you can remember it also. This is the very important formula which you can if you remember, then you can solve our questions in a very quick way. Because see, you know this inequality, right?
So it is given in the videos also.
Yeah,
Some important points ma'am
First one
mentioned.
is okay formula, yes.
Yeah, let me explain once again. Yeah. Formula is your formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Okay. Formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Right? 1 plus 1 CR. So see, you can if you solve this one, you can get this quantity. Suppose I'm solving, so you can write it n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial, right? Plus n factorial r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because if you're subtracting n minus r minus 1, so it will be n minus r plus 1, right? So you can write it as, take n factorial as common. Okay. Then what will be your inequality? 1 upon r factorial n minus r factorial plus 1 upon r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial, right? So you can write it as 1 upon r into r minus 1 factorial. Can I write it this quantity as this one?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this will be n minus r factorial plus 1 upon r minus 1 factorial. You can write, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. This quantity. Can I write it?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next step will be it will be n factorial divided by 1 upon r into r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial plus 1 by, it was r minus 1 factorial. Yeah. R minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 n minus r factorial, right? So this quantity and this quantity is common from the denominator.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
What will be left out? 1 by r plus 1 by n minus r plus 1. From this, r is left, and from this one is left. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be this? You can multiply it n minus r plus 1 plus r divided by r into n minus r plus 1. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
your this r and this r will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
So you have inequality n plus 1, this n plus 1 into n factorial, right? And take it r with this r into r1, r minus 1 factorial into, take this with this one, you will have n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, right? So can I write it as n plus 1 factorial and r factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial? Can I write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will be n plus 1 c r.
Yes, sir.
Fine. It's clear.
Yes, sir. And also, sir, ma'am had also showed the correlation between permutation combination, and she had discussed all this under special cases, sir.
I think that was C.
It was in one of the tutorials, sir.
You can write it as n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay. So NCR is your 1 upon r factorial into n factorial upon n minus r factorial. What is this?
NPR.
Right? NPR
Yes, ma'am.
equal to r factorial into NCR.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you recall that condition that, sir, multiplication and addition one, sir? Basic one, sir. I am getting confused in that one, sir, again.
Multiplication and addition means you
Addition
are...
rule, sir.
Sir, when it is and or, when do we multiply and
yes,
when
sir.
do we add, sir? That is what he's
Events
talking
or
about.
you are talking about events or probabilities?
Sir, he's talking about events.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
When
See-
there is a hopping flight, sir, and sir, those scenarios which were the introductory part, sir, that is what he's referring to.
Okay, so suppose I'm saying events are occurring simultaneously. Okay. See, this is the something when occurring simultaneously means when events are occurring together. Means suppose I took the I took the example of 4-digit password. So after selecting the number of ways for the first digit, you have to select for the second digit and third digit and fourth digit. You have to do this one together. After that, you will get the 4-digit password. Right? This means first digit and second digit and third digit and fourth. Right?
Yes.
That means events are occurring simultaneously. Means this events and this one and this one and this one.
Okay.
Then what will be the example of not occurring simultaneously?
I am coming on that. See, you get, suppose you have make the password of a pattern A of alphabetical, and I'm saying another password you can make of numerical, only numerical. Okay. And suppose you have two password, type A, and like that you can say 1 2 3 AB is the password. Suppose 4 digit is, then I can take 1 2 AB, and suppose for B you have password 9830 for example. Okay. Then I'm saying for your phone you can choose either a password A or B. Try to understand at this point. I'm saying either A or B. That means events are occurring not simultaneous. Means if you choose the A, then B will not there. If you choose the password B, then A will not there. Either A or B. If there are or mentioning, means not occurring together, that means not simultaneous. Got it? For your phone or laptop, whatever, you can choose either of pattern A or pattern B, not A and B. Clear?
Yes, I was getting doubt in that only, sir, while doing EMQ.
No, that's why EMQ was there, for clearing this type of concept.
Sir, can I add something over here? It's as simple as that. Whenever there's an or, look out for indications of or and. Just identify. And then you'll be able to decide to multiply
or addition. There is something and type of things, then events are occurring simultaneous, and multiply will be there. If there is something odd type of, then not simultaneous, and you can use plus sign. This is for just quick. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, that.
Sir, I have again one doubt, sir.
Sir, sir, can I ask?
The graded assignment 6, question number 8.
Yeah, one second, one by one.
Sir,
I have doubt in
the
tutorial questions.
Sir, with that question you explain, no, that the formula derivation. Actually, when they are giving a value n greater than 3, or sometimes may question they can give also n greater than 5 also sometimes, right? So is it that every time we need to put the value, then derive all these,
No. Actually, this is general. See here, n greater than 2, right? Because see, suppose I'm taking n as 2. That means here it will be n minus 1, see r minus 1.
Yes.
And r should be less or equal to n. Okay. Then you are choosing 1c1. It is making any sense? Not?
No, sir, actually, like I got where I got confused. Like, if it can give any value like n greater than 5 or 10 or 7, then
you can put anyone. You can put anyone, and you will get the same thing. Suppose I'm putting. Yeah, suppose I'm putting here 4 and r I'm taking as 1. Okay. So, if you're saying, suppose I'm putting 4 and n equal to 4 and r as 1. Okay. For example, then your equation is.
Sir, are not given on the see only they are given.
See, if you watch the lecture, r should be less or equal to n.
Okay, according to that only we'll put the r value, and then each option we need to evaluate by putting the values.
Yeah, you can put it. Actually, this is the general. You can put a general formula for this one. And CR equal to r for r equal to 0 and r equal to 1 means NCR, your NCR will be 1 when r equal to 0 or r equal to n, means r equal to 0. If you took the r equal to 0 means NC 0. That means n factorial 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. That is n factorial 0 factorial is 1 into n factorial, which is 1. And suppose NCN, that is n factorial 0 factorial, which is also 1. Right?
Yes.
One doubt in activity question 7.3.
Yeah, one second.
Sir, here I am having a doubt.
Yeah.
Question number 8. Sir, in graded assignment 6,
Yeah, one by one. Yeah, Deepak.
Sir, in this question, I want to ask something. Sir, can you give one question of comprehensive type where this formula can be applied?
Have you watched the have you attended the session which ma'am has took week 5 and 6 revision session?
Yes.
There I think if I can
There
know,
was
there was
one
first or
question was there.
One second. Let me go. I think slides are there.
Sir, the session where ma'am has covered permutation and combinations, then combinations of permutation as ordered arrangement. She has given examples, and ma'am has also given the derivations of all these things, sir. This is this was a direct question, sir. Ma'am has covered it nicely. It is in the initial part of the video itself, sir.
Yeah, it's initial parts in the video, and I think let me one second. I think ma'am has to. Actually, that's question I have not remembered actually. Yeah, PDF was there.
Sir, it is not in the PDF. It is in ma'am's videos also, sir. The video the basic video also, sir, the derivation and everything is given. Ma'am has stated another common notation and some useful identities or results.
Yeah, yes.
And then she has derived each and everything, sir.
Yeah, that's not issue. Actually, he has asked, see, for this, in this question, yeah, ma'am has clearly explained each and everything. See, yeah, in this question, you can directly put it as an NCR, sorry, n-1 CR. Hello.
Yes, sir. This question I have done at the time.
Okay. See, if you remember that the formula, that relationship, then you can directly put it as, and you can within a minute you will get the correct answer. But suppose you don't know the formula, then you will put the each value of n and r, then you will calculate the every one. That means every quantity n-1 CR minus 1 plus this quantity plus this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But you remember this one, then you can directly.
I'm so just sorry to tell you, stats is going to be very long. If you go to derivation now, my dear friend, you will lose on answering certain questions. I did that mistake in my quiz. I could not give the end term for September because of my COVID. And this is one mistake that I also did. So I would recommend you just remember whatever important ma'am has given.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying you can remember the formula, which will be
So can we discuss activity question 7.3?
Yeah, one second.
Sure, I think his doubt is about.
Yeah.
He's
Go
trying.
ahead.
Yeah, he's trying to ask some practical example of NCR.
Okay. Directly say.
That's.
Directly say. You can say practical example. I was thinking like you are asking about the very we can use.
No, I am not asking, sir. That person. I did not remember. I comprehend that.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Okay. No worry about that.
You may ask that person.
Question number?
Three, sir. Venn diagram 3. Question number 3.
Okay. What is doubt?
Sir, only the answer is that only E is occurring. But some elements are common in E and G also.
Okay. Only what? Which option is correct? E occurs.
Third, E occurs, but not F. How is it so?
See.
Sir, actually,
E
sir.
Yeah.
E occurs, but not F.
Yeah. F is not there. He's talking about E. E occurs, but sir, not F. But there
why
is
not option 2 is correct, sir.
E or G, but not F. See, E or G means yellow part should be till here, till this. E or G means till whole G.
Okay, sir. That we have to take all the union of E and G, right?
Yes. E or G means union something.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Someone
Sir,
has asked.
graded
graded-
assignment 6.
Yeah. I have remembered.
Question number.
Question number 8, right?
Yeah.
1 second, man. Okay, in how many ways 7 players be formed from the 12 state players, level players, and 5 district level players, such that group contains exactly 1 district level player? Okay, so what is doubt in this one?
Sir, in my assignment, the question is different.
Okay, so tell me what is your question. I can go with that. Okay, tell me. Hello.
I write it in chat box. Sir, I write the question.
Yeah. In how many ways can a group of 2 players can be formed from a 13 state level players and 11 district level player, such that the group contains exactly 1 district level player? Okay. See, it is mentioned that there should be exactly 1 district level. Okay. So for 1 district level player means that you have to choose 1 player out of 11.
Yes, sir.
And 1 player can choose you from this 13. That is the answer. 11 into 13 is the correct answer, right? Hello.
But sir, choosing from 11 player, 1 player, there is only 11 choice na. I have only 11 choice na.
Okay, suppose you have 11 choice. Okay.
Yeah.
And you have to choose in total 2 players. So 1 player must be from state level player. Okay.
Yeah.
See, you have to choose 2 players. In the question it is mentioned that 1 player should be from district level player.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means you have choose the 1 player from district and remaining 1 player can be choose from the state level player.
Yes.
Right?
Sir.
Right? Yeah. Clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Hello,
Mohammed.
sir. Sir, my question is from activity question 7.6, question number 2.
7.6. 1 second. Let me go. Yeah. Question number 2, right?
Question number 2, yes, sir.
Okay. What is doubt?
So, my answer is not, there is no option. My answer is 9/14.
Okay, what is question? Find the probability of selecting a red card or a 5 from a deck of 52 cards. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
See, probability of see, in 52 cards, there are 4 suits, spades, clubs.
Yes, sir.
1 is hearts and 1 is diamond. Right?
Yeah.
And in each contains 13 cards.
13 cards. Yes, sir.
Okay. Out of which there are numbered from 2 to 10 in each. Okay.
Yes.
And a king, queen, jack, and an ace.
King. Yeah. And a.
Similarly in all the things. Okay.
Yes.
What is the question? Question is probability of selecting a red card or a 5. Okay. Your question is probability of selecting a red card, okay, or a 5, right? That means probability of selecting red card plus probability of selecting 5 minus probability of selecting red card intersection 5.
Correct, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
So probability of selecting red card will be 26/52.
Yeah.
Because hearts and diamonds are
26,
red face card and spades and clubs are black.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Plus 5 can be select in see, in each 5 will be there.
5 will be there, yes.
5 by 52. Oh, no. 4 by 52.
4 by 52.
Minus red and face, red and 5. So in red, there are 2 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
that means 2 by 52.
Yes.
So it will be 28 by 52. So no. 20, is there any option?
7 by 13, sir.
Yeah, 7 by 13. Yeah, 7 by 30 because 7 into 4, 28, 30. Yeah, it is the correct answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So that 2 by 52, how did you get? Can you please repeat it? Like
because see,
one
in this
red and one diamond. Is it like that?
No. Probability of red and of 5 means you have to select red and 5 means how many red cards are red cards are there for hearts and diamonds.
Oh, yes, sir.
And for the red cards there are 2 5s.
Okay.
1 5 from where, 1 5 from where, and remaining 2 5 will be for black card.
So right? I got confused. Like no, red and this 5.
See, red and 5 intersection means there should be some common. This means common things. So red means 5 should be red. A common area, actually. See, what is the common area?
Okay, number should be 5 and that should be red also.
Red.
Okay. So only 2 options and out of 52.
Yeah, because 2 5 are for black and 2 5 are for red one. Okay.
So then what sir aapne 52 will likha na 2 by 52. So how?
Because you are selecting from 52 cards. Okay. In total 52, red and 5 common things are from here.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
From in these whole 52, the common things are from here, right? Red and what is meaning of intersection and red and 5? Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, graded assignment 6 के question 1 to 4 एक बार समझा देंगे if you can have time.
1 to 4. All the
मेरे
4
चारों
questions.
गलत हैं. हाँ जी.
Okay. No. Yeah. Yes. For the first one, see, you can watch the peer deck slides. I took the session, and in that session, questions are similar.
How? I mean, what is the criteria that it is divisible by 4? I couldn't get that.
See, for any number, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. You have digit 2 0 2 4 5 7 9. Okay. You digit 0 2 4 5 7 9. Divisibility by 4 means suppose you have 4-digit number. So last 2 digit. Okay. If last 2 digits divisible by 4, suppose last 2 digit is 20. Okay. And first 2 numbers is anything. Suppose 97. Then it will be, because last 2 digit is divisible by 4. That means whole numbers will be divisible by 4.
Okay.
So you can make numbers like that. Last 2 digit 04. Okay. You can make 20, 24, right?
Yeah.
And 40, and let me know if any number has left out from. So next can be 52 and 72 and 90. Yeah, 92. Okay. I think these are the possible numbers. Okay. if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay. See, you can think like that. See, you have to make how many digits password you have to make in the question? 5 digit. Okay. So suppose last 2 digit I'm fixing 04. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you are fixing 04, then for the first 3 digit, you have how many?
For the first digit, I cannot use 0.
No. I am fixing here 04 already.
But if we take 24, then for the first digit also we cannot.
That point. That's points I will cover. First, go first here. See, 04. If you are fixing 04, then in how many ways can you fill this one?
4C3.
No. You are making mistake. 4P3.
I'm always confused when to take P and when to take
See,
C.
see. I'm not choosing the 3 digits. I'm arranging. I'm arranging the 4 digits at 3 places. When you have to arrange, then you have to use permutation. And when I am select, then I can use combination.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose, for example, I'm saying I have to select 2 numbers out of 4. Then it can be any 2. Order will not matter. Then 4C2.
Okay. So do we look for these terms, choose, select?
Yeah. You can look for this.
It will always be there.
Yeah.
These terminologies.
If it will be there. If it's not there, then you can think. I mean, it will be there actually. See in the question. See in the question. Yeah. See, suppose there are 7 friends from a group of 12 friends. So I can choose any 7 friends. I can select. See. Focus on select 7 friends, so I can select 12C7.
Okay.
Suppose I'm saying you have 7 people and you have to arrange those 7 people on 10 seats. You have to arrange those 7 people on 10 seats. That means 10P7.
Okay.
See here 4 numbers I have to arrange.
So 4P3.
Let it be 4P3. You can how in general you can make it in how many ways? 4 into 3 into 2.
Yeah.
Okay, because last 2 digits are fixed. So can you what will be your 4P3?
Excuse me, sir.
It will be same.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Sorry for interruption. Excuse me, sir. Can I imagine the last 3 digits that we have to select? So can we imagine it like a number lock? That's a lock system which if you put any number in particular order, then lock will open. So can we imagine that? Suppose if you take order 0, 1, 2, 3, then if first digit is fixed, like 0, 4.
Yes, actually in probability here now, it's better to do permutations, combinations like what you said. That is helpful. Just remembering this P and C, PC formulas, it makes life difficult.
Yes.
What you are approaching is what your approach is correct. That is the best approach. We should imagine the things and we should approach.
Yeah.
How to imagine?
Practical. That is the practical way of
actually see, listen to me. For imagination, actually, it depends on what is the question have you asked. Okay, so you can think. Means suppose here I can think. I cannot choose any of the 3. Okay, at this you can general think at the first place I can have any of the 4 digit, and at the second place if fourth one any digit, then I can have any 3, and then I can have any 2.
सर क्या मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ?
हाँ.
ओके, तो आप प्लीज स्लाइड पीछे वाला कीजिए. ओके, तो जैसे ये 3 डिजिट इसमें चूज करना है, तो ये परम्यूटेशन में मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा काम करता है. जैसे 04 यहाँ पे फिक्स्ड है, तो हमारे पास बच जाता है 2579. तो अगर हम इस तीनों डिजिट में से पहले वाले पे अगर 2579 टाइप का कोई नंबर अगर हम इमेजिन करते हैं जिसकी 4 पट ये 257 है, जिसकी ये 4 पट्टियां इसमें 2 है, 5 है, 7 है, 9 है, हम एक बार में 2 ही कर सकते हैं सेलेक्ट. एंड ये तीनों में हम ऐसे ही इमेजिन करें कि तीनों में 3 पट्टी लगी हुई है जिसमें 2, 5, 7, 9 ऐसे स्लाइड करने पे आता है। तो अगर हम पहले वाले पे 2 करें, फिर दूसरे में भी 2 कर सकते हैं और तीसरे में भी 2 कर सकते हैं, तो ये रिपीटिशन अलाउड हो गया, ऐसा इमेजिनेशन कर सकते हैं।
यस।
और अगर रिपीटिशन अलाउड नहीं हो तो इसमें पहले वाले पे 2 करेंगे तो दूसरे वाली पट्टी में से हम इमेजिन करें कि वो 2 गायब कर देंगे और रेस्ट क्या बचा 5, 7, 9। तो उसमें इसमें से हम सेलेक्ट कर सके और रेस्ट जो बच जाता है, अगर दूसरे में हम 5 सेलेक्ट कर दे तो तीसरे वाले में से हम 5 हटा देते हैं, तो इसमें 2 बच जाते हैं, 7 और 9।
यस 7 and 9।
यस, तो इस तरह से क्या सोच सकते हैं, वर्क करेगा ये परम्यूटेशन में हमेशा?
Actually, what is the thing? Everyone's, every individuals has you can say different approach.
Yes.
Actually, see, suppose I'm
मेरा यही क्वेश्चन है कि इमेजिन कैसे करें
no,
परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन?
see, actually you have to first thing you have to think what is the question, what what is the purpose, what you want to calculate. Okay, first purpose should be clear. Means suppose that's example of 10 seats. Suppose you have 10 seats. Okay, suppose I'm 3 5 6 7 8 9 10. For example, you have 10 seats. Okay, after this explanation I will come on the solution. No worry. Yeah, you have 10 seats. Okay, and I'm saying I have 7 people. Okay, so suppose I have 7 people, so I have to arrange these 7 people on these 10 seats. Then how ways can I have? So you have to arrange things. Means if you want to remember, then you see, suppose you got the point, you have to arrange, then you can do 10p6 means. And first thing, order will matter in permutation. Suppose you can do like at the first digit, at the first person can sit any of the 10 seat.
Yes, sir.
And second person can sit any of the 9 seat because one seat has occupied by the one person.
Yes, sir.
And third seat can be occupied. Third person can take any of the 8 seat.
Yes, sir.
And fourth person can take any of the 7 seat. And fifth person can take any of the 6 seat.
6 seats.
And sixth person can take any of the 5 seat.
5 seats and 4.
And 4, right? You have
Yes.
7 person. First person, second person, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7. I say 10p7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you do 10p7, that means 10 factorial divide by 10 minus
10
7
minus 7
factorial.
factorial.
That means 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial.
It is, yes, sir.
So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial we cancel out is the same as this one.
Yes, sir.
So I think you got this point. When you have to arrange the things, then you will use permutation, and here order will matter.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we have a multiple choice question, we can answer more than one option. If one option is fixed, then we should, and then how should we deal with it? Can we just take it as like we'll fix one option and then we will think it as like if there are only 2 options are correct. Next we will have another case where only 3 options are correct. Like that we should go. If there's a multiple choice question, like and we already know one option is correct. And
in a multiple choice question, there is only one option correct.
Okay, MSQ then.
Yeah, multiple select question. Yeah.
Yes. If there's only one, they already gave one option as correct, and then there are 4 options, and 4 can be correct, 3 can be correct, 2 can be correct, 1 also can be correct. So
yes,
we have 4 cases.
Yeah.
So from where 1 can be correct, there's only 1 case, and for 4 cases, we will have 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 like that.
Okay. You are talking about number of ways,
yes.
Right?
Yes, number of.
In MSQ, you should select at least one option. In MSQ, you should select, right? At
Yes.
least one you should select.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose you are selecting only one option. That means you can do in 4C1 any. See, try to understand. Here you can choose any one, which can be done 4-way.
Yes.
And suppose you are selecting 2 options, which can be done in 4C 2-way.
No, sir. If they already gave us one option is correct already, like in four options, he told that one option A is correct. Then that A is already correct. So one case where one option can be is only one, like the only one A is correct. Then for 2 there is 4 ways. For 3 there is
I
4
think
C's.
it's in graded, right?
Should we do it like that?
Try to think about that.
Okay.
Okay. Try to think about that. If only A is correct, then how can you proceed? I can
Yes, sir.
yeah. I think now
He is asking from graded
yeah.
assignment.
This click on my, see, I can give a hint, like if you select the one option, then it will be 4C1. If you select 2 options, then it will be 4C 2-way. If you select the 3 options, then it will be 4C 3-way. If you select all the 4 options, then it will be 4C 1-way. It will be 4C 4. It will be, I think, 6. It will be 6. Okay. No, I think it will be 4. Okay. So you can select if A is correct or B is correct, then what you have to minus, what you have to add. So try to think about that. No worry about it. Yeah, someone, okay. I think she has
So
asked.
in this question, it is and condition or condition, because no, you don't see, since it is graded as
this one. Yeah, it will be or.
Correct.
Yes.
Because see, you suppose you can choose one option, or you can choose 2 options, or you can choose 3 options, or you can choose all the 4 options. Okay. Yeah, Amruta has raised hand, right? Yeah, I think I don't.
Yes, sir, you are solving that question.
Yeah. No. Now I will continue. Yeah. So I will give you an overview idea. Okay. So you had 0, 4, 20, 24, 40, and 52, 72. These are all the numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
See, suppose you fix the 0, 4, and what was the digit? 0 to
5 digit. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9.
Yeah. Correct. See, suppose I'm fixing 0, 4. So for the first 3 digit, I have 4P 3-way.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Similarly, suppose I'm fixing 20.
Same.
Again, I will have 4P3. Suppose
Yeah.
I'm fixing 40, then I will have 4P3. So for this, you will have 3 into 4P3.
Yeah, right.
And second case, you can consider, suppose I'm fixing 24. Okay. So tell me, for the first digit, how
it will be 3P3?
Yes, 3P3, 0 wale case,
because 0 we will exclude.
It will be, see, for the first digit, you can put
there
any
will
of
be
the 3 numbers. Any of the 3?
Okay.
Here it will be 3 and 2.
3P2.
Yes, sir.
I think I did the same this mistake.
Because see,
I excluded 0 completely.
Yeah, no. Suppose here you see, you have suppose you fixed it 24, then you will have 0, 5, 7, 9, right? Then at the first digit, you can put only 3 digit. Okay. And for the remaining 2 places, 1 digit is there. Suppose 5 is there. Okay. Then again you have 3 digit. And you have 2 places. That means 3P2.
Okay.
Then similarly, for if you fix 52, again it will have 3 into 3P2. Suppose you fix the 72, you will have 3 into 3P2. And suppose you fix the 92, you will have 3 into 3P2. So it will be 4 into, 4 times, 1 time, 2 times.
4 into 3 into 3P2.
And you
plus,
can
plus 3 into 4P3. Okay. Got it.
Right? You got it?
Excuse me,
and,
sir.
yeah.
So means if we will take 0 in first digit, then it will be not considered as 4-digit number. That's why.
No, then it will be 4-digit because you have to form 5-digit number.
5-digit number, yes.
And suppose, for example, it was a password, then you can took 0 as the first digit.
Yes, if it is a password, then
suppose I'm saying, see, I'm saying I have 0 to 9 number and I want to frame the 4-digit password. So password is something which is a categorical type of thing.
Okay,
Means
sir.
you can put your password like that, 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I'm saying in
what
your
about
phone,
roll number?
Roll number is also categorical variable.
We can take
Suppose
0.
Yeah, I can say your roll number is 024 and my roll number is 034.
Okay.
Okay, it's a 3-digit roll number and it's a categorical variable. Categorical means you cannot perform addition or subtraction thing. Means can you say your roll number is
24?
No, can you perform like you can add this type of things, or can you say your roll number is much better, I mean,
then someone
like that you can
we can't
actually
compare roll number by roll number.
You can say actually you cannot perform a mathematical operation actually. Can you multiply your roll number and this roll number and say meaning of this is this? You can't say. Roll number is type of categorical things. Okay, so password 0 can be considered. Then suppose you have this one, then you have 10 way, 10 way and 10 way and 10 way. Okay, it will be 10 raised to power 4 way in case of password type of things. That's why I'm saying things should be clear. What is the question? Okay. Next move on the second question. I'm going quick. Second question is, suppose here is
there are 8 train stops between Chennai and Assam.
Okay, so
how many train tickets are to be printed so that a person can travel between any 2 stations?
There are train stops between Chennai and Assam. Okay, that means in total there are 10 stations.
Okay,
between Chennai and Assam there are 8. And if you include the Chennai and Assam, then it will be train. 10. Okay, suppose you have 10 stations, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so suppose you are, and there are there is mentioned irrespective of the direction, you can go any direction. Okay, suppose you are here at the first station, so from this first place or first station you can go any of the 9 stations. Okay. Or suppose you are here, from here you can go any of the 9. You can go here also, you can go any of the 8 here. Suppose you are here, then again you can go any of the, this will be till 10 times 9 into 10.
Sir, here I have a doubt. Like in the first station it is 9, but in the second station the question was like, how many tickets are we supposed to buy so that we can travel from any of the 10 stations as per our convenience. So in case of second station, so I won't buy a ticket from first to second. Rather from Chennai to something I won't buy. So I have to buy 8 tickets. Am I right?
Yes. But
so the number of tickets 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 etc. I have to add those. It is not about multiple. Am I right?
Actually, but here it asks about in total how many tickets should be printed.
So I have to add. It is not about multiplying, right? So I can't buy again 9 tickets. I will buy only 8 tickets.
Actually, this is something you can say. This is something 10p2. This is something 10p2, and you are saying, suppose. Can you repeat your statement?
So, sir, first station is Chennai, and the second station, let me name it as A. So I will buy 9 tickets from Chennai to certain other destinations in Assam. I had, I guess, 19 stations in between Chennai and Assam.
Suppose you are here, okay, and from first station you can go any of the 9 stations. Okay, suppose you are going to C to A. Okay, and your question is like you are saying buys the ticket. Okay, purchase the ticket. Okay, so suppose you purchase the C to A ticket. Okay, and I'm saying direction is matter.
Direction does not matter as per the question. So I won't.
So for example, direction does not matter. Okay, then it will be 8, because if you are number of purchasing the tickets, you will not purchase the if you go for A to C, right?
Can you come again?
See, suppose you are purchasing the tickets from C to A. Okay, and you are saying you are mentioning the number of ways for purchasing the ticket type of thing. Okay.
Yes, right? Sir. Yes, sir.
Then suppose you purchase this ticket C to A, then you will not purchase for A to C, because these are no, you will purchase, because going to Chennai to Assam is different going to Assam to Chennai.
But it is irrespective of directions.
Irrespective of direction means you can travel Chennai to Assam or Assam to Chennai.
Sir, now the question is about the number of tickets and not about the
number of tickets. See. Number of tickets to be printed. Okay?
Yeah, it is enough to print one from Assam to Chennai or Chennai to Assam.
No. See, listen to me. Chennai to Assam is printed one ticket. Assam to Chennai is printed one ticket.
So it means direction matters here.
No. Travel.
Yes, for ticket matters. For ticket matters.
For this, you will count your order matter, but you can travel in any of the directions. Suppose you have suppose you have a 1, 2, and the third ticket is like.
Okay, I got it. It's like there is no constraint, like we are traveling in one direction.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose you have these 4 tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm saying you can travel in irrespective of the direction. Then in how many way how many tickets should be printed?
Got it.
Here the question is asked for the tickets, so we should focus on the ticket only.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I think she has again left with the now I think second question is clear, right? And your third and fourth question is left. Yeah. Your third question is, let me go with the little bit fast. Yeah. See, what is this one? You can go, tell me. See, suppose I'm taking this one and I'm doing it little bit fast, because if you this third and fourth, we have discussed I think a lot of time in the
yes, sir. You are
beginning of this
explaining
session.
Again and again.
Yeah, and you can rewatch actually, but for a little bit I can.
थोड़ा सा सहन कर दीजिए, because मैं वीडियो देख ही नहीं पाती हूँ, मैं कोर्स की वीडियो नहीं देख पाती हूँ because I'm job, so पुरानी वीडियोस देखना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
No worry. See, here is the question. In how many ways can he select the 7 friends from a group of 12 friends if 2 of his friends will not attend the party together? Okay, so total ways should be 12C7 of selecting 7 friends, right?
Yeah.
Of selecting 7 out of 12, it can be done in 12C7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose A and B attend the party. Okay. Suppose A and B are attending the party, you have to select 7 friends. Then 2 friends are already fixed. That means you have to choose 5 friends out of 10. When if A and B are attending the party, right?
Okay.
Okay. In the question it is mentioned that we have to find the number of ways when A and B will not attend the party. Means when A and B will not attend the party means total number of ways minus number of ways when they will attend the party. That's
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's clear?
Yeah.
And
clear.
for the fourth one, your question is, suppose there is 10 cloths and 10, yeah, and C1 must be used. Yep. D8, D9, and D9, D8, D10. Okay. See, it mentioned that one cloth will be used only one day, and it given that there are 10 cloths, okay, and 10 different day. It is mentioned that C1, cloth C1 can be used at day 9 or at day 10, right? No, at day 8 or day 9. Okay. So for using the C1, C has two ways.
Yeah.
Either C can use at day 9 or C can use at day 8, right? And for C2, C has again two ways, because C, D8, D9 or D10. Okay. Suppose C1 is used as D8. Then C will have two ways. Right?
Sorry.
See, for using the clause C2, C has three options.
Yeah.
But one cloth will be used at only one day. Okay. And C1 cloth will be used at day 9 or day 8. Right? Suppose C1 cloth has been used at day 8. Okay. Then day 8 will not be considered.
Yeah.
For C2, C has two way. Right? Are you getting point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for C1 and C2, there are restrictions. And for C3, you can use, see, 2 they are already, suppose C1 used at D8 and C2 used at D9. Okay. Then for C3, you have 8 way. You have 8 days remaining, right? Because in the question, you can say every cloth is used to be used at only one day. Suppose C1 is used at D8 and C2 is used at day 9. Okay. Then for C3, you have 8 days. For C4, you will have 7.
Okay.
For C5, you will have 6. For C6, you will have 5. And for C5, you will have 4 days. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, C5, C5, C6, it will be C7, it will be C8. And for cloth 9, you have 2 days. And for cloth 10, you have 1 day. That's it. You have to multiply this 2 into 2 into this 8, this 6, this 6, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means 2 into 2 into 8 factorial. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
thank you, sir.
Fine. Yeah, thank you. Anyone has any doubt?
Sir, I have one question not related to exactly the portion, but how many weeks content are we going to have in quiz 2? Can you please share so that we can divide our time accordingly?
See. For quiz 2, week 8, see, major portion will be from week 4 to week 8. Okay.
Week 4 to week 8.
Week 5 to week 8.
Week 5 to week 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Major portion will be from there, and from week 1 to week 4, some questions will be from syllabus of quiz 1 also.
Okay, so for the next qualifier, which is coming on 13th of March, till week 8, the content will be there.
No. 13th March is qualifier exam. Okay, I think there is some criteria. I'm not sure. There was mentioned some best 4 type of thing. Anyone?
Some best 4 or 5 out of 9, something like that.
Yeah. I think you can discuss.
That's best 5 out of 9.
Sir, can you explain the credits, how they will give us credit?
Grading pattern.
32 credits will be given at the interim exam.
No.
What is best 4-5?
Actually, I'm not sure about that best 4-5. I think in the last session Some of you has explained
No,
actually.
hall ticket is they are sending hall ticket according to our best score out of that 5
out of 9 out of 5.
Yeah, 5 graded assignment score.
Best 5.
They're considering.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So at least for the next quiz, which is coming on 13th March, we can prepare till 8th week.
No. See, it was for quiz 2.
Okay.
I thought you are asking about quiz 2.
Yes, sir.
but
Quiz 2 is coming on 13th of March.
Yes.
Okay.
She's asking quiz 2 का course क्या है?
Yeah.
से 8 है या 9 है?
No.
So this time there is no 3 quizzes, only 2 quizzes and directly enter.
Yeah.
Actually, I misunderstood because in the last session someone has asked about. See, there was, I think, any criteria, if I'm not wrong. Some of you can give the paper qualifier exam, which was on 30th January. It can 13th March type of things.
Yes, sir. The
But-
qualifier also.
Yes.
Right, and quiz 2 is also
qualifier
there.
also. is
Yeah.
there.
Actually,
Yeah,
I
they
was.
told like that.
Yeah. Actually, I was confused.
Whoever
Yeah.
are absent, they
let,
can write.
let me clear. For 13 March qualifier exam, you have some criteria based type of thing. I'm not sure about that. And for quiz 2 exam, okay, quiz 2 for week, major portion will be from week 5 to week 8, okay, and some questions will be from week 1 to 4 also. Because suppose you prepared, you are very proficient in work in week 1 to 4, so you know.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
What will be the percentage of distribution of between these two?
Actually,
approx.
I have to check. I will have to check about the percentage, and you can say, see, it can be around, I think, 70-30 type of.
Okay. And so for final exams, we will have all the weeks content.
Yeah. Week 1 to week 12.
Okay.
Major portion will be week 9 to week 12.
Okay.
And
Got it,
less
sir.
percentage will be 5 to 8 and then 1 to 4.
Because now our final exam will be on 3rd April. So accordingly, the people who are working, they can divide their time and start working.
Yeah. Actually, see, week 9 to major portion will be covered. Week 9 to 12. Suppose week 9 to 12 is very, you can say, good topic. These 4 weeks covers very good topics. And if you are, good in week 9 to 12 and you can do, and you are proficient in doing the question 1 to 4, 5 to 8, then you can get a good percentage of also. No worry about that. Just do your graded and practice.
Sir, as I am student.
9 to 12, what will be the topics, sir? What will be the
you will know
chapters?
You will know. I think
it is given in website. It is given on
yeah. In 9, I think there are some random variable type of thing, and in 10 binomial, Bernoulli, and week 11 you will know this thing I can
discrete and continuous.
Yeah,
11
something
and 12.
discrete continuous type of. In week 12 you will know uniform exponential type of things.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So as I am student, so how we can ask a doubt? Means if we have personal doubt, we can how to share the doubt. Then it will be discussed here. I joined late also this session.
Personal means what?
So graded assignment or activity questions.
You can ask in the sessions.
This session, regular session.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suppose we are conducting week 7 open session. Okay,
sir.
Then suppose you have doubt from week 7, then you can raise your hand and you can ask your doubt.
Okay, so I thought these questions were already sent to you.
No. You can ask question. See, we are conducting 2 sessions. One is open session and one is activity session. Okay. So you can raise your hand and ask your doubts. Any activity, any graded, any practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we are also conducting a solve with a session, which is very similar to your graded assignments for each week. And for before every quiz exam, we are conducting the revision session, as we had do for week 1 to 4, and ma'am has took the week 5 to 6. We can take again 5, 7 to 8, and there will be one revision session for 9 to 12 week. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubt? Anyone else? Yeah, we can close.
No, sir. Thank you very much for your clarification.
Okay. Thank you. Are you satisfied with my answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Sir,
much.
and can you start the session from 7?
Actually, this
Session started from 6. Sir. The thing is that if it is
but
late,
yeah.
better.
Actually,
sir, Prashant sir, one request, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually your session is really very much helpful. I got a lot of insights. But sir, can you keep these sessions for more than 2, because you are keeping only 2? So can you please keep some more classes, like 3 or 4 sessions in a week? Please, actually really helpful for the people. Because वो वीडियो देख के ना इतना समझ में नहीं आता जितना आप सुंदर से समझाते हैं ना, इसमें ज्यादा क्लैरिटी आती है.
Yeah.
So
what is the issue, Ramakant? See, main issue is there are other courses. Okay. So they, actually support team has planned like we can take 3 sessions in a week. First thing, and second thing, sessions should not be overlap also. Okay, that's why timing. Sometimes timing are vary, like some 6 to 8, sometimes 7 to 9, sometimes 2 to 4. So
total, how many batches or groups in this qualifier, January qualifier batch?
Sir, actually, if you can keep in the late night also, no, I think many people.
Late night or early morning, both are okay.
This statement I already repeated, because see, this type of things is handled by support team.
Actually support
team.
They should also come
pass to the support team.
Yeah,
so they should also come
really
live
enjoying
and,
your classes, sir. Actually,
we will
really enjoy.
And because for a working professional, it's very difficult to attend the class.
Late night or early morning, late night or early
but
morning.
In the late night, if it is happening now, and the classes will not overlap, and all people can attend also. Like,
we give a lot of suggestions for late night.
Okay. We'll discuss with the team. Okay, no worry.
Kindly pass this, because we're really enjoying your class.
Yeah.
Really feeling blessed.
As the portion increases,
because ऐसे live session में आके काफी doubts clear होते हैं, लेकिन मैं तो attend ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ actually. This is kind of my second or third live session which I'm attending, and मेरे doubts clear हो रहे हैं. Otherwise,
and now
so frustrated grade assignment में जब मेरे starting के 4 गलत हो गए, मतलब 10 में से 5 क्वेश्चन ऐसे गलत हो, लाइक मैंने सब कुछ पढ़ा है, सब कुछ किया है. I couldn't understand कि क्या गड़बड़ किया. मैंने आपने just solve कराया. Now it's clear कि where I was making mistakes.
And sir, now we have been given a message that we have to also solve the bonus quizzes also.
Okay.
Which we have already left because we thought we will leave it aside.
And sir, what shocking news was practice assignment also. They are giving marks and they will be added afterwards. The live session we attend.
Please consider this timings very seriously.
Actually, sir, at least working के लिए कुछ तो relaxation होना चाहिए. हम कहाँ से मतलब classes भी attend करेंगे and ये assignment भी सारे कर लेंगे. I mean, मेरी तो videos नहीं हो पाई हैं. Literally maths में तो मेरे अभी week 6 और week 7 पूरा बचा हुआ है और questions नहीं solve कर पाई हूँ. It's Saturday, Sunday. I'm looking forward to do anything in my life.
Sir, absolutely, sir, थोड़ा buffer time हमें मिलना चाहिए. Answers आते हैं sir, practice का time ही नहीं मिलता sir.
Actually, we are just running. We are running. Train चल रही है, उसके पीछे भाग रहे हैं. But still नहीं पहुंच पा रहे.
कभी सुबह नहीं उठी मैं. IIT ने मुझे सुबह मेरा सर्केडियन जो बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक है ना ऐसा कर दिया, अपने आप आँख खुलती है 4:30 बजे.
Sir, this is the power of IIT.
Actually, trying to get up at 3, but still not, हो नहीं पाएगा.
Not enough. रात भर जग के भी ना full time job और career के साथ बहुत typical हो रहा है sir.
Yeah, okay.
At least थोड़ा सा तो.
The entire thing started when we expected that whether we will qualify in the qualifier or not, and we gave a gap for week 5, and the entire burden and the lag got accumulated that abhi ye bhi karna hai, wo bhi karna hai.
Week 5 and week 6. Week 5
Actually, otherwise we were quite regular till the time we gave quiz 1.
Yeah, I agree with your
I
points.
think quiz 1 इसलिए pass कर पाई because work from home चल रहा था मेरा, so
work from home सबका चल रहा है.
अरे मेरा तो ऑन हो गया यार, वापस ऑफिस चालू हो गया है.
Can I speak?
Can I
नहीं, मैं सुबह 3 बजे तक बैठ के पढ़ रही हूँ पागलों की तरह, उसके बाद फिर सुबह 7 बजे.
Hello.
So it was very difficult.
Hello.
Wait, sir.
Yeah. Can I say?
Sorry, sir.
See, actually, I agree with your points, and I will discuss with the team, and if it's possible, then calendar will be updated. No worry about that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. Actually,
just a suggestion. Maybe just a little extra time. Maybe just half an hour, sir. Because answers we know even then, because we are not able to practice despite managing everything, and we are
actually.
Struggling.
See. That's why we have planned some session on weekend. For example, I think next.
Absolutely agree. Agree. I have been keeping up with those. Sir, I have a 3-year-old. मेरा सारा कोर्स हो गया, सब कुछ पढ़ लिया. I was very confident. अब घर में कोविड सिनेरियो चल रहा है. I had flu symptoms, so luckily office से छुट्टी मिली. I studied. I was confident. So practice का time ही नहीं मिला. वो एक दिन ऐसे कैसे निकला पता ही नहीं चला. I was like, I told my husband that I would have easily scored 25% more. So be ready. And when I came back, I was so disappointed. I said, सबको अनाउंस कर दिया, प्लीज मेरे से उम्मीद मत करना, मैं पक्का फेल हो रही हूँ. तो सर मेरा 46% मार्क्स आ गए, मैंने मैथ्स क्लियर कर लिया. तो अदरवाइज मैं तो उम्मीद ही छोड़ दी थी कि भूल जाओ IIT को, तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है.
So there is one request that whenever you take revision now, please let us, can you divide the revision into parts, so that instead of taking entirely week 5 to week 8 का revision, if you can give 5, 6, 7, 8 ऐसे 2 pairs में हो जाएगा तो it will be easier for us.
Will do. Actually, 5, 6, I think revision has ma'am has took already. I think there is only need of 7 to 8, right?
Yeah, there is just one suggestion I would like to give to my friends. आप ना YouTube channel follow करो, and just increase the speed. I keep the speed to 1.75, 1.5. So you'll be able to cover, even if you're not able to attend the sessions.
Actually, see, listen to me. We every people have only 24 hours. I also, but we have to manage in these.
Yes.
Yeah. Somehow,
no
someone
pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
Actually, someone watched the video on when he was traveling in the metro. When someone can watch video on the waves type of thing, and so somehow you have to manage actually one thing.
Yes, so we can English lecture. We can manage it.
Actually,
बाकी के लिए दिमाग भी वो होना चाहिए, थोड़ा कॉपी पेन होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Sir, just 5-6 week का revision एक बार फिर से करा देंगे if it is possible.
Yeah, okay. If it's possible, then
so that for 13th March, 5, 6, 7, 8, we will start preparing from today onwards, and we'll put it on the calendar how to prepare and how to plan.
And sir, इसमें important भी बता दीजिए अभी से, तभी हम थोड़ा उस पे ज़्यादा focus कर लें.
Actually, see, 5 and 6, week 5 is not much. If you see, there are only 2 video, and in 5 there are only permutation type of thing and counting principle. Main things, if you are able to differentiate between the combination and permutation, then week 6 is easy for you. Okay. And week 7 is something in which concept of week 6 is used. Means when you have to select how many ways, then you suppose you have to find the probability. So you can put favorable cases. Suppose you can do like, yeah, favorable cases will be 12C5 divided by total cases will be 14C7 type of thing. So things are related. Just try to think, try to clear your concept of combination, permutation, when order matter, order doesn't matter. These type of things, if you are clear, then you will solve the questions within a minute also. And for probability, for union, intersection, just you can remember the union formula type of things, and try to practice Venn diagram. And suppose you are facing a problem in equating equation probability of A union B, will be how? Then if you see Venn diagram A union B, yeah, you can interpret a probability of A plus probability of B will be added, and A intersection will be subtracted for A union B, like that. Okay, so just try to clear the concept, and after the things will be easy.
Sir, in live session, please try to summarize at least one.
Okay.
Can we know the reason why we had 3 quizzes?
Why?
We had 3 quizzes.
Is
Previously, we had 3 quizzes. Now we have only 2 quizzes. Why? Any reason?
You have no.
Previously, we had 3 quizzes. Best of 3. They used to take 2. Best of.
Okay. There was qualifier, and after the 3. Okay. I think there was some, you can say 1 point is for timing. Okay, suppose you get after you give the qualifier exam, after that quiz 2 come, then quiz 3 come, then quiz 4 come. So things will become hectic type of thing. That's why
we had more time at the time. We had more time. Now schedule is squeezed.
Yeah. Okay, so
as a student, puri IIT wali feel aa rahi.
Everyone feel like that. Okay.
So thank you very much, but for all your help, and we're looking forward for revision for week 5, 6,
Yes,
1 combination, and week 7, 8, 1 combination.
Okay.
So that we can score in our quiz to better manner.
No worry about that. If possible, we'll do. Okay.
And sir,
thank you very much.
Please be considerate for the extra classes.
Yeah, for timing, I will. Okay, we will discuss with the team and.
Please. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. It is really insightful and helpful for me. Actually, the clarity on the concepts, the concepts of clarity becomes more clearer when we are lively interacting with you.
That's why we are conducting 3 sessions within a week, so that in 2 sessions you can ask any of the questions from any activity practice, and for 1 session is for solve with us, which is similar for the graded similar, and so that you can solve the graded in a easy way. That's why these are the planned. And okay,
sir, I am not taking NPTEL courses because of live sessions, sir.
It's your personal.
Yeah.
What is NPTEL courses?
So I think we can close, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
So I was applying for an internship. They're asking for faculty name, telephone number, and email address. So what to do?
I think I actually, sorry about that. I cannot do any help in this regarding this.
I can put that support email address and that support mobile number, telephone number.
They replied for your of your email.
This is first support. They replied to my email. Yes. Last email they have not replied, but they will be sending the email to find out if I am studying here or not. So they're asking professor name. So I put support email address and support telephone number, but professor name, what should I put? I don't know.
I'm not. If you are in stats 1, then I will not. I'm not sure, but you can put Usama name, Professor Usama.
But in the support email address, they will not be able to reach Usha ma'am or Madhavan sir or anyone.
Actually, I'm not sure about that. You can
First-
cross it. Yeah.
Like for yesterday while session, we saw it was computational thinking @iitm.ac.in. That email address is valid or not?
I don't know actually.
Okay.
Actually, you can sorry. Yeah. Okay. So thank
One
you.
query.
Yeah. Nisa?
Sorry. One query relevant to the course of week 5 versus the week 6. In week 5, there was a question relevant to 3 couples being selected from 8 males and 5 females, I think. So there was a procedure that the solution, there was also a solution, right, provided to it by the, I think you only had provided for that solution in a video. But I tried to solve it in the permutation manner, but then I got confused just a bit. So my answer was getting larger by 3 factorial, larger in the sense multiplied by 3 factorial. I needed my answer to be correct. For my answer to be correct, it needed to be divided by 3 factorial. So I was not able to point out where I did the mistake.
What was the question?
There are 6 males and 4 females in a building. What is the probability? I mean, how many ways is it possible for exactly 3 couples to be amongst them?
Exactly 3 couples.
Yeah, 3 couples to be amongst the.
I think it's in tutorial,
It is a
right?
tutorial.
Yes, it is in tutorial. How they had solved it was, first they took first the solution said that take the number of take the female combinations of whether or not they can be married. So that can be done in 4 number of ways, and that we can find out like M1, M2, M3 can be married, or M2, M3, M4 can be married, or something like that. So that comes out pretty fine when you solve it the way that it is showing. But if I go ahead and try to do it in the with the permutation methodology, then also it should stand out right? It should give me a correct answer. Yeah.
If that question is solved by combination, then if you are using permutation, then it can go give the wrong answer, because combination is other thing and permutation is another thing.
Agree to your point that if I use a commutation method in combination typology, then it will not result. But this particular case is a permutation method only, right? There is 3 posts in short, 3 posts of being a couple, a married couple, which can be filled by 3 males and 3 females out of 6 males and 4 females. So the answer should be 6p3 multiplied by 4p3. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, that is.
Can you tell me question how 6 male was there? Okay.
Yeah, 6 males are
and
there.
3 women
and 4
are there, okay?
4 females are there.
Okay.
Out of this, 3 couples are to be made. So that means each male can be selected in 3 ways, and each female can be selected in 3 ways. And that is an ordered way. It is not a selection. It is not just a selection. It is an ordered selection.
Okay. See,
right?
suppose listen to me. Say for 3 couples, men should be 3. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible. I muted myself so that you can.
Okay. And for for women, 3 should be 3 pair of 3 women should be there for
but why selection for C? I mean, why are we going for C? Isn't this a ordered selection? Isn't this a permutation instead of combination?
See, why you are doing permutation? See, out of 4, listen to me. Out of 4 women, it can possible any of the 3 women married.
Yeah, but those 3 women need to be married to one typology of men, right? I mean, for every woman, that can't be a 3 set of men who can be interchanged that.
But here, see, you have so suppose W1, W2, W3, W4. Okay, how many pair you can make?
That I got understood that if I go into this route, then it is perfectly fine that I do combination for one set and permutation for the other. This is how I see it. That first I do combination for the women's selection of women for a post of married couple, and then I do a permutation. I mean combination for women and permutation for men, or vice versa.
Permutation. How you are doing permutation?
Imagine that as a post. Imagine that as couple 1, couple 2, and couple 3. So couple 1 includes a combination of male and female, men and women. Man and woman. So that can be man 1, man 2, man 3, man 4, man 5, man 6. Similarly, couple 2 can be man and woman. So 6 ways. This can be in 5 ways. That can be 4 ways. So this is permutation only, right? I mean 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial.
Yes, because here order matters.
See. Here you can do 6 into 5 into 4 for men.
Right.
I'm considering only men. And for women, this is for one case.
Okay.
See, suppose 1 second. Let me create a new Jamboard. 1 second. See, pair of 3 women will be like that in 4 way. Okay, right? So it can anyone W1, W2, W3
in any order. Agreed.
Yeah, W1, suppose W3, and it can be W3, W1, W2, and W3, W2, W1, right? I think these are the possible cases.
W4 भी आएगा उसमें से. So that one is W1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 3, 4, 1.
Yeah, 2, 4, 3. It can happen, and
3, 4, 1.
W2, W. One second. Let me W1, W2, W3, and it can be W1, W2, W4, and it can be W1, W3, W4, and W2, W3, W4. Right. These are the possible pairs of 4 women. Correct?
3 women selected from 4 numbers. Agreed. In this way, it makes sense. That's what I was saying. कि यहाँ पे वो combination लग रहा है because it is just finding out how many of them are married.
Okay.
But
and
when I multiply it by, because there is also men's that are to be taken care of, so then it automatically becomes an ordered case, right?
For each case, suppose I'm considering this pair, okay? W1, W2, W3, okay? 6 men can be here for women.
5 can be here, and
5 can be here for women 2. And 4 men can be here for women 3.
So that is a permutation case, right?
Yeah, that is the permutation case.
So that's what I was saying कि उसमें इस type के problem में first we have to like divide it into 2 groups and then एक के लिए combination और फिर second के लिए permutation. Will it hold true?
Not.
If I do it otherwise, sir, just 1 sec. Will it also hold true if I do it other way? कि मैं पहले males में combination करूँ और फिर बाद में females में permutation करूँ?
Okay, you can do, but it will take more. No, suppose you are making 6.
We'll use the formula. 63 हो गया अपना.
See, and it will give you 20 pairs.
Right.
If I'm 63 will be 6 factorial, 3 factorial,
6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So that is 6, 5, 4. 3 factorial is 6,
20
5, 4,
pairs.
20. Yeah.
And for 20 pairs, M1, M2, M3, you have to make like
now it becomes an ordered
like
case.
4,
now it
3,
becomes
2.
an ordered case. So then it becomes a 4P2. Sorry,
Yeah.
4p3.
4p3, and this 4p3 will be 20 times.
Agreed.
Okay.
Right.
And 4p3 it will be 4 3 to 6 6 to 24 into 20, it will be 480.
Right.
Right, these are the possible cases. That's it. If you are considering with the women, but see, you adding anything at 20 times, it's more complicated than you can add the things at 4 times. Here you can add for this.
That was not, see, right now it is just 4 women and 6 men. That could have been 40 women and 600 women, and that उसमें से भी मुझे 10 cases निकालने हैं. So number doesn't matter. The formula, अगर मेरा concept clear होगा, then it will be applicable to any particular number, right?
Yes.
So what we are saying primarily over here is that in such scenario, we first try to make the selection ordered.
Yes.
And for doing that, we make the selection just a selection first. And then we make once the selection is made, then it becomes an ordered selection. So that's
it can be
we select
ordered.
the second category.
Suppose question was like that. See, what is the question? It must be clear. So one second. See, suppose I am saying there are 6 men and 4 women. Okay. And I have to make a group of 3 people. Okay. For example, I have to make a group of 3 people in which one male must be there. For example, then in how many ways you can do? 6C1, 1 male must be there, and you have to select 2 people. That means remaining 2 will be women.
4C2.
That's the thing.
Because the order doesn't matter.
Order does not matter. We have to just select. Okay.
But in marriage scenario, the order does matter.
Yeah. Order obvious matter.
So, sir, इसी last example जो आपने दिया था, that 3 people are to be selected. If we say that they are to be selected for 3 posts, president, vice president,
then order matter.
And secretary, then order matters. So उसमें मैं order किस में लगाऊंगा? पहले उसमें भी पहले selection करूंगा, फिर order लगाऊंगा.
Suppose 6 men and 4 women है. Okay.
Right.
And I have to post. See, I have 3 posts. Okay, first post, second post, and third post. For example, suppose it's captain, vice captain, and suppose it's secretary. For example.
Right.
Okay, and I'm saying I have to fill this post. So and doesn't not irrespective of the gender. Then it can be 10 into 9 into 8.
Right. That is just people. Agreed.
That is people. And suppose I'm saying at the first post, only women will be there. That means 4.
But that is too specific. Let's say that out of these 3, at least 1 has to be a female. If that was the scenario, then how do I solve it?
Can you repeat?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
I said out of these 3 posts, 1 has to be female. How many number of ways can it be called?
Yeah.
So where do I put permutation and where do I put combination? That's what I'm trying to put my head around.
See.
Yeah.
1 at least. No. I think post should be mentioned.
But that is if I need to make parallel to the marriage case, then that is how I am trying to put it. अगर मैं इसमें ये mention करवा, if the question comes like 1 out of them has to be female.
1 out of them.
1 out of them has to be female. So the female can be 1 or 2 or 3.
Yeah. So suppose female has the 1 place. Right.
Acha, in that case, we'll take all the scenarios separately.
Yeah. Female has the 1 place.
First case के लिए क्या रहेगा, फिर second place के लिए क्या रहेगा, और उसके साथ male के combinations. Okay.
Got it. In this case, second position can be filled by 9%.
Right.
And third position can be filled by. And it will repeat 3 times.
Repeat 3 times. So or wala formula lag jayega, for like it will get added and all that.
Here or will be repeated. Actually, that's why I'm saying questions should be clear. Purpose should be clear.
Right. And just one more doubt, if you have a few minutes more.
Yeah.
In one of the lectures in 6th week, ma'am was explaining the permutation case where there are 10 seats in a theater in which 6 people are to be seated, and such that there is no all the vacant seats are together. So the way she had approached was, and the way she had taught was that those 6 seats is 6 selections. However, those 4 empty seats become one selection, one group, one set. So the result that was shown by her was 7p6, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Yeah. If how many seats was there? 10 seats
10
was there.
seats, 6 people.
6 people. Okay.
So that such that none of the empty seats are separate. All the empty seats are together.
Okay. All the empty seats are together. Okay.
Right.
When you are mentioning, these things are together type of things. Suppose you have 10 seats. Okay.
Right.
1 seat, 2 seat, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And there are 6 people. Okay. It means 4 seats can be empty. Suppose these are the empty seats. Okay?
So this becomes a one single item
So you
altogether.
can consider it as one seat. Okay.
Agreed.
Because these are together.
Agreed.
Suppose
So in this case, my confusion was, sorry to interrupt, my confusion was कि मेरे पास पहले 6 element थे, 10 positions थी. Right now, the way I am configuring it is that मेरे पास 7 element हैं और 7 ही positions हैं. Like that one empty, one entire box set is also an element, right? Just like 6 people. Imagine that as, so the answer should be 7p7 or 7 factorial.
No, because there are 6 people. These 6 people, suppose this is a one seat. See, you have 6 people, okay? And you have in total 7 seats, right? So first person can be sit any of the 7 seats?
7 कैसे हो गई? 6 सीट ही तो रह गई ना?
No. You are considering it as one.
But वहाँ पे कोई person तो नहीं बैठेगा ना?
No. See, all the empty seats are together means all the empty seat. Okay.
And
it should be together.
That together seat has to be filled with a void only. Let void be a person which consumes 4 seats. Can we take it like that? Void is one person who consumes 4 seats. Void as in that empty space, that one chunk is a huge person who consumes 4 seats.
See. It can happen like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Suppose an empty seat are here, empty seat are here, empty seat are here, empty seat. Okay.
But this is
that
not,
means this is not a case. Then man can arrange any 10p6.
10p6, agreed.
Means one person can take any of the seats. 10 seats. Okay. Means first person can take any of the 10 seats. Second take 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. Right?
Yes.
Here we are counting 10 also, empty seat also. Okay.
Right.
And suppose this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose I'm taking these 4 seats at together. Right? And you can consider it as one.
Okay.
Then,
which can never be filled.
Those 6 persons. Suppose I'm numbering 1 seat, 2 seats, 3rd seat, 4th seat, 5th, 6th, 6th, 7th seat. For example, just assume. Then the first person can be take any of the seats, right?
Any of the 6 seats.
Any of the 7 seats.
Sir, any of the 6 seats. ना 4 seat पे तो कोई बैठ ही नहीं रहा ना.
No. See, here here total 10 seats. According to you, then here should be also start as 6 because these 4 seats in a way are empty, not together but are empty. Are you getting? There are 10 seats. Just assume there are 10 seats. 6 people will take 6 different seats. Okay, 4 seats will be empty in any way. Either it will be together empty or in any way. But
in any way,
those 6 persons will always have one
or the options.
First person will always have 10 options.
अच्छा, अगर इसको हम लोग वैसे सॉल्व करें कि वो 4 सीट्स का जो सेट है वो है ही नहीं, consider it that it is not there,
then it will be 6 factorial.
Then it is 6 factorial, that is 6p6, right?
Yeah, but we are considering it as one. Okay.
And now we come back. Now we say that this one chunk can happen in any of the positions. They are now considered that not as seed but position. It can happen in first position, second position, seventh, third position, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh position. So that is 7p1. So that means that is 7. So that is how it is coming to be 6p6 multiplied by 7, because it's an AND case. Is that the reason why the answer is coming out to be 7p6?
You are saying like these four, you are arranging this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Because this can come in any of the positions. It can come in first position.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the 7.
So that is 7p1. If I go by formula,
that is the also approach, because see. Because
I was not able to wrap. I thought I hope I'm trying. I mean, what I'm trying to say makes sense somewhere, because I was not able to imagine that वो empty seat जब empty ही रहनी है, then why is it coming into a choice?
Empty seats should not be empty. Means, see, these are 4 seats. Okay.
Right.
Empty seats should be together. Means, see, man, any man, suppose second man is sitting here. Then all
it is gone.
All the empty seats should be together. That meaning.
But then the moment if anyone is seated over there, then that whole set is gone. Na? Ki empty seat should be together. I can't seat anyone in that particular position.
I got your point. I got your point. Yeah, this approach is also correct.
Okay,
you are
that's
right.
It, because previously I was confused ki I can't place over there, then why am I counting it?
It is correct, because see, here, let me use another color. See, it can be possible that all the empty seats can be here.
Yes.
It can be possible that all the seats are here. Then it can be possible that
right.
You can do 7 ways.
7p1 factorial, 7p1 ways.
6. This is the correct one. Yeah, this is the correct, because all the empty seats are together.
Remain
it can be
empty.
7 way,
yes.
And remain 6% can be arranged 6p6, and it can be happen.
It can also be written in 7p6. Yeah.
It can write as 7p6.
Can we write it as 7p6?
1 second.
Even I was confused a bit.
1 second. It can be write as 7 into 6 factorial. And 7p6 you can write as 7 factorial and 1 factorial. It will be 7 into 6 into 5
factorial.
into 4 into
that
3
is 7
into
into 6
2.
factorial upon 1 factorial.
Yes.
So that is why the answer was coming to be 7p6, and coincidentally it is the same thing, that 7p6 is to be 6p6 into 7.
Yes.
Right, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Now it's clear, right?
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, everyone. I think we can close this session.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye.
सर इसकी अटेंडेंस कैसे मतलब मार्क होती है?
ये
नहीं सर, आज क्या मतलब मैंने वो ग्रेडेड पैटर्न पढ़ा ना, तो उसमें था कि अटेंडेंस
उसमें बहुत कम है वो एवरेज वाला, वो बोनस मार्क्स के पीछे मत भागो प्लीज. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज let it come on its own. बड़े लोग कह गए
बोनस मार्क्स ना पास अगर नहीं हुए ना तो बोनस मार्क्स.
Why are you focusing on not passing? We will all pass.
Focus on passing first. वो
I think
पास होने के बाद ही ऐड होगा.
Yeah, that is. You're right.
Yeah, bonus mark something. No, if you are attending the session on Zoom, then it automatically records.
Many times I had to attend through YouTube only because the Zoom call was not functioning somewhere.
No worry about that. No worry about the bonus mark is something.
आज अचानक वो ग्रेडिंग पैटर्न पढ़ा ना, तो बहुत सारे चीजों के मार्क्स दिखे, इसलिए सोचा क्या है.
No. We have revised for Jan term onwards. There is a different pattern altogether.
Yes, they had shared.
That's also true. I'm still not able to wrap my head around that MSQ questions, the other half of the sets. My fifth assignment was very poorly performed. Multiple choice
Sorry
and
to
multiple
ask this
answers.
answer. Sorry to ask this answer. From where you are?
Please don't call me sir. Yeah. Sir is on the other side. I am from Mumbai only. I am from Mumbai only. I am also a student just like you.
Yeah, please don't start this culture. I mean, I hated yesterday somebody called me elderly. I was like, oh my God, I'm not 60
No, I don't
yet.
mind. No, that's not an issue.
Sir,
I don't
am
mind, but
agreeing to what you're saying.
see,
I mean, people perceive if you're
no,
working,
it's just
we
not
should
that
all
way.
be like
It's just
treated equal. We are
the
all
context.
students.
It's just the context. I didn't mean it like
Right.
that. You can call me
Right.
uncle if you want to, but I
No,
didn't mean
not
it
at
like
all.
that.
Please, please,
No,
please.
no, no.
Otherwise, I will be an auntie also. I mean,
No, no, no.
I'm
I
also
just meant it
working.
like in the current context, the
Hello.
sir is
Hello.
sitting
Can
on the
we
other
let
side. That's
sir
it.
go and have
Actually,
a
see.
separate discussion?
Hello.
Yeah. Please, please.
Yeah, actually, this is your live session also, so
Yes.
please don't
Sure,
discuss
sure,
this
sure.
type of things. Yeah,
Exactly.
okay.
Definitely,
Everything is getting
Yeah.
recorded.
Anyways, thanks a lot for all the help
Yeah.
once
Thank
again.
you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, really, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.